Phone Nana is not home.
But I thought Onyeka saw her coming back from the market this morning.
Is that what Onyeka told you? That Onyeka with his half-past eyes. Please. I'm sure it was not from Nana he saw. Probably saw somebody that looks like from Nana.
Thanks. Mama, is that not from Nana that I saw just pass just now?
And I told you that from Nana is not home. Yeah?
Okay, what of Papa is inside? Let me greet him.
Papa is home, but he's sleeping. He left special instruction that he should not be woken up, no matter what. Excuse me? What do you mean? Is that everything all right? You want me to be sick, fall ill, so that you will be happy? Why are you interrogating me in my own house?
It's just the way you're treating me.
How am I treating you?
Oh,
go and sleep now.
Who is that? Who is it?
Not an important thing.
Well, listen, my son. You're welcome, my son. When did you return?
Excuse me, Nani.
Papa, just now. Papa, what is going on here? I mean, what is going on in your house?
My son, I will advise you to reach home first, rest, so we can talk later.
Papa, why are you telling me to go home and rest? I came back to see you people, you're telling me to go and rest. I asked for food now, they said she's not around. And I saw somebody that passed that looks like her. They said you are sleeping, Papa, what's going on? I did not do any work that I need rest for. What's going on here?
Madness. Madness has visited this household.
Madness?
That is what?
What is your problem? Why are you shouting? Don't you know? I'm coming. Please come. I'm coming. Don't you know I have visitors? Why are you embarrassing me?
No, you said from Naya is not her. Is that not her voice?
That is her voice, but not from Naya. Sometimes the voice can be in a different place, while the body is in a different place. I'm coming. Please, stop shouting. I'm embarrassing my visitors. Start going.
I don't understand this. What's the meaning of this?
Can you start going? Please, Nanya, as you're going, I don't want somebody's voice to come like that. Please.
Just going to get on first.
Seriously, I don't like this. What are you doing? What you saw where? When I was telling you to go and pay her bride price, what did you say to me? You told me your father said she must graduate first. Now she's old enough to make her choice. Why are you complaining? Trying to leave you. Or she has left you? Eh? Listen. This is a dream. I will wake up. It's a bad dream. Listen, you're not dreaming. Okay? As you can see, are you not seeing my hand? That means you're not dreaming. But for it, is that where you stop?
No, this is absolutely not.
No, what's not happening? Not fair. What's not fair? What is not fair? Tell me. What's not fair? I thought I called you.
Oh, see, Mama, you have no problem. You know what I mean? You ain't got problem. You see, they call me Desmond. The Don. Desmond within a cash. Money talks, bullshit works. You see this money right here? This moolah, baby, is what I do for a living. I help people. You see, anything, Mama, you want and laugh, I will just order it like real quick. So you don't need to worry about anything laugh because I'm bigger than laugh. Name it. You want it to be ordered from United States? Mm-hmm. You want it from Malaysia? Mm-hmm. You want it from Afghanistan, Mama? Mm-hmm. You want it from South Africa, Johannesburg? Mm-hmm. Be it in Japan. You want me to order from there? Mm-hmm. That's what's up, Mama. I say, so you ain't got problem. I'm Desmond for me and cash. That's what they call me. Money talks. And they say, bullshit words. Say,
oh, the dawn.
Mama, you ain't got problem. And I tell you something, Mama. What you ought to be doing in your life, at all time, go to church and say, Hail Mary, full of grace, Lord is with thee, blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Father Almighty, I thank you for bringing Desmond, the Don Desmond, into our life. I thank you for bringing the Don Desmond into our family.
I'll do that, my son. I'll do that.
I trust you, Mama. I trust you. Now, without time wasting, like I said, money talks, bullshit words. This is all called moolah, baby. Moolah, baby. Moolah, baby. Mama, this for you. Right there. I've not started. I ain't started yet. That's moolah right there. Baby, this for you right there.
For me? Hey, thank you,
That's
baby.
for my baby. I told you I'll do anything and laugh for you. As long as you keep being good, you're my responsibility. As long as you keep being good, you will shine until you die. Now where's Papa?
He has gone out.
Okay. That's for Papa right there.
Desmond, this is too much for us.
Mama, I've always told you, stop saying, what? I've not even started yet. You see, I live this life for you. You are the only family that I know in this life. So if I don't do it for you, who do I do it for? No, if I don't do it for my baby, who do I do it for? If I don't do it for my boo, who do I do it for? If I don't do it for my shorty, who do I do it for? You see, I'm going to turn this village upside down because of my goal. I don't joke with my goal. I don't joke with my sweetie. I don't joke with my boo. Now, Mama, listen and listen real good.
Yes.
I've got a surprise for y'all.
You do?
Yeah.
What?
I want to get a new whip for my girl.
Whip? A whip? To whip her?
Come on. You see what I keep saying? That's why I want to take you all out. To upgrade you all a little so you can be a little bit more exposed and laugh. Whip means car.
Cool. Car!
That's what I'm talking about.
He's gonna get you car!
That's what it is, Mama.
Hey, you get you a
Thank you
car!
so much, my
Baby,
darling.
you don't need a mission. You don't need a mission. You don't need to step thinking, man. Your laugh is my laugh. Your laugh is my laugh. So, Mama, like I said, you ain't got a problem. Everything is covered up. So I think I'll be leaving. I'll see you all later in the day. Is that okay? Then I'll come through with my father. I'm gonna come through with my dad.
Well, let me think about. Okay.
So like I told you, anything for my baby, anything for my boo, anything for my baby, anything. Be good, mama.
The dawn.
I'm gonna come through with my dad.
Hey. See if Desmond didn't come here to see all of us.
I don't know who that boy is.
Hey, now that God has buttered our bread, you're not being cooperative. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Which God? The same God you were jumping up and down thanking when Olisa came to pay for Naya's school fees? That same God?
Look, do you know that God has just remembered us? Our house is flowing with honey. So what else would you want from God?
Not that type of honey. There must be sand inside that honey. I don't enjoy such honey. Good honey doesn't come like that. This one that is doing his eyes, chan, it's not good. It's not a good thing.
You've not even tasted the honey yet and you're complaining about sand. Anyway, this is the money that I said I should give to you.
Take this thing away from me. Did I ask him for money?
So you're not taking the money? No problem.
Look, let me tell you. Whatever you people are planning with that young man, count me out of it. I am not part of it.
But there's something I want to tell you. If you chase this boy away with this your attitude, you will not find peace here. Mark my words. I will make life unbearable for you.
This is pure madness.
Okay.
When the trouble comes.
Before the trouble, since you're not taking this money, I'll go to the market and get that judge I've been begging you to buy for me since. Who told you that?
I couldn't believe what my eyes saw today.
I don't believe that. From Naya that I know loves Olisa with all her heart. I mean, she is deeply in love with Olisa. From Naya cannot be with another man. It's not possible.
My dear, I couldn't believe it myself. That's why I want you to ask her. Please, talk to her.
This is serious. Anyway, no problem. I'll go to phone Naya. Then I'll ask her if all these things that you're telling me is actually true. If she's marrying another man.
Not just marrying, is she seeing someone else? I don't want anybody to hurt my friend, not from Naya. I don't want it.
So when are you going back?
My dear, I'm not going back again. Akokalia has gotten me a job in our community's microfinance bank.
Really? Oh God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Hey,
Okay.
God, I thank you.
Amen.
May God continue to bless you. May He strengthen you. May He keep opening doors for you in Jesus' mighty name. I pray. I'm so happy.
Oh my God, baby. I never knew all this while that I had a prophetess as a girlfriend all this while.
Baby, God.
Baby, you know what I want?
No.
To drink for me.
I will give you anything you want today. I'll come away from me.
Oh my. What is this that I'm hearing?
What are you hearing?
That you're seeing another man. Why do you like gossip a lot? Why?
Are you trying to tell me that what I heard is not true?
Is that why you came here? Tell me, is that why you are here? To discuss my private life?
Naya, if what I heard is true, it It's not fair.
I do not want to talk about that. If that is why you've come, then please, I don't want to talk about it. If you won't help me, then leave it.
Naya, for crying out loud, you are my cousin and my best friend. Yeah. If I hear anything bad, I have to come to you and ask you.
Ask me what? What are you asking me, Ebere? After you've sat down with them and gossiped me, now you're telling me you're my sister, you're my this. Let them gossip. I don't care. Oh. They should gossip all they can. I don't care. I don't.
Naya, I have this feeling that something bad is about to happen.
Something bad?
Yes.
You're feeling that something bad is about to happen? Prophet Ebere, keep feeling. You will not talk about something else, oh. It's just me. By the way, it's your turn. Let's talk about you for once at least.
I know you want us to change the topic.
We have to change the topic. Because we've been talking about me all this while. It's your turn.
No problem. Let's talk about me.
How about Onyeka? Your boyfriend?
My Onyeka is fine. He has gotten a job in our community's microfinance bank. And he will be starting job next week, Monday.
Hey! That's good news! My dear, this is what we are begging God for. Good news! What is that? At least you can be able to buy you cream. Look at you. How dry your skin.
You are insulting me. No, I'm giving you the permission. Insult me more.
Hey, my sister, seriously, let me tell you, let's be sincere to ourselves. Every girl on earth needs a man that can comfortably take care of her needs. It's very, very important.
No, Nanya. No man on earth can provide all that a woman wants. It's not possible.
Story. If I hear.
Nanya, seriously, if you ask me, I prefer love. You see, love is very, very important.
Yeah.
A man can give you all he has in this world, but without love, it is useless.
Sorry.
I am telling you the truth. Or are you trying to tell me that you're not enjoying how Olis has been treating you and loving you?
First and foremost, nobody in this life will love don't help. Who love help? Will you eat love? And for your information, it's not Olisa that is taking care of me. It's Olisa Biniwe, God in heaven, that has been taking care of me. Not Olisa. Please.
Naya, wait though. I don't understand you. You're sounding strange.
Yes. My dear, the only constant thing in life is change. And as a matter of fact, I have not changed negatively. I have changed positively. I am now a matured woman. Yes.
Real woman indeed. Sokoto has really changed you.
Positively. Positive change. Your turn.
Are you telling me that Naya did not come out to see you at all?
The only thing I could figure out is that while I was in their living room, I noticed she passed from another room to the other. And she saw me, but she turned her face.
Hey! All I know is that there is something to be unraveled. There is something fishy.
Well, I think they are up to something. Because the way the mom treated me like a total stranger, it was amazing. I was full of shock.
How people can change. But not once. There is nothing hidden under the surface of this earth. Shall see.
Well, what I want to ask is this. Let's forget about what Ogoma did. I know the type of a woman she is. What did they
Nothing.
Huh?
Yes. Apart from the fact that once in a while he just escalates, he just say this or that. But eventually, the only thing I could figure out that he said is that madness has visited his house.
He said it?
Yes.
That madness has visited him. He's right then. Yes. Madness indeed. Madness has visited him. In fact, madness is already dwelling with him. So, something is actually wrong somewhere. But all I know is this. We have to apply wisdom here. Let us just use our legs to fish out whatever has fallen inside the snow.
Papa, Mama, I just want to believe that it's not what I'm thinking that is about to happen though. Because if it happens, I'm not going to take it easy. I will not. I will not take it easy.
Calm down, my son. Yeah? Calm down, let's watch and see. Let's see what tomorrow.
Papa, what if I'm coming down and things now goes out of hand? Yeah? What?
My son, what will be will certainly be.
That is it.
Huh? What is it? Nothing will even go wrong. See? And in this matter, we have just two options. To handle it or to leave it where it is.
But that is it.
Huh?
Your father is correct if you ask me.
I just don't understand this. I don't get it.
Mama, Mama, good afternoon. Mama, I hope there's no problem. Hey, Mama. What did you buy for me from the city? Baby, why are you behaving as if you did not miss me? Why you did?
But you're also pretending as if nothing happened. To you, what happened in your house yesterday was child play?
Oh, baby, come on. I was going to... What are you talking about? You're still talking about yesterday?
Because it's serious to me. Yeah, because you that did it will forget, but I was heartbroken. I didn't sleep all through the night.
Sweetie, I'm sorry. I'm here now with you, okay? Okay. How is business?
Fine.
It's okay now. You shouldn't be angry with your love like that.
Fumanaya.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
You are here.
Yes, sir. Baby, come on, I'm sorry. It's me. It's your phone, Nanya. My darling, I'm sorry. I apologize once again. I'm deeply sorry. Okay? Get up. Let's go inside so you give me what you bought for me from the city. Oh! Let's go. Let's go. Have you
love a warm nana. Okwero ndidi, obimbawa, ewelo buna boya, love ya bomu nopa. Okwero ndidi, gosia fo, love nere koko, love a warm nana.
Mama, what are you doing? I'm checking out some clothes and I'm trying to see which outfit will be good for that day. That's the day. Yes. Which day is that day? The day our in-laws will be coming to do something on your head. Hi! Don't you think this is nice? Whether you like it or not,
my sister, I am the happiest girl in this world. Do you know that Odisa paid 2 years house rent for me in the university? Yes, that means during my stay in the university till I'm done, I will not pay nothing. Shish, I won't pay. Hey!
Nanya, you're not just lucky. You are blessed. Hey! Odisa is a kind and wonderful man.
My sister, I cannot wait to be called his wife. I can't wait.
I just pray that you will not break his heart later.
What kind of talk is that?
I know what I'm saying. You're already in school, and school might open your eyes. You start seeing Olisa as a common man.
What could be? Ebere, why would you say such? How can I see my own Olisa, my sweetest heart, as a common man? I will never do that. Please, don't say it again.
Okay, yes, God will forbid it. Eh? But I know why I'm saying this. I just want you to have it at the back of your mind that Olisa is one man you shouldn't hurt. He is such a caring man.
Ne, I can never hurt Olisa. I love him so much. How can I hurt a tall, handsome, young man whom God has given to me to wipe my tears and that of my family? I can't do that. Who will throw such a man away? Who will not embrace a man like Olisa? But no.
You say that because you're my sister and I am.
Hey, that's what you will say. Hey!
So how is school?
It's fine, no. You've seen me now.
No, you're shining.
Hey!
What?
How is Uncle?
My father. He went to Mazio KK's bar to enjoy himself.
As usual. Uncle can enjoy.
Telling me.
My sister, that's aside. You know you're such a wonderful cook. And I said to myself, Nanya, you will not come back to this village and return back to school without enjoying a parent's delicacy. Please, my sister, I'm hungry.
As if I knew you were coming. I prepared a very delicious appetizer.
And you know it's your favorite.
I am telling you.
You ate peas.
I did.
How are you?
Hi, my dear. You didn't tell me you're back.
Well, I just came back now. And I decided to come and see you first.
You're welcome.
How is Mama?
Inside.
Okay, let's go and see.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please take care of her. We're coming back, okay?
So how are you? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Why are you not looking at me? Are you dashing?
Mama.
Hey, my son.
How are you, Mama?
I am fine, no. It's just this my eye. I started again.
Mama, you don't have to cry. It will be solved this time around. Yes. I'll be taking you to a specialist hospital in Kaduna. Where they will take care of your eye. And by a specialist even at that.
Take me to Kaduna.
Yes.
For eye treatment.
Yes. Take care of
God bless you. God bless you and replenish your pocket.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey!
What of Papa?
Papa, he has gone out to see his brother Anika. But he'll be back soon.
Okay, no problem. We'll go so that I can give you the things that I bought. No problem. Mama, going out with Unaya. Well, however, get prepared though. The day after tomorrow, we're going to Kaduna.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. With plenty of vegetables. Okay. And
later.
Okay, see you people. They think I don't know where they're going to. This girl has stopped going to church since she started. Oh, I didn't do it with her father. I was very careful.
I hope you guys are not talking about us.
Must we discuss you? We are discussing about ourselves.
See you, I don't trust you. You can maybe ask yourself. I don't trust you. Come here.
Sweet.
Okay.
You have done a lot for me. I can't even count them.
Could have told you time without number that you should stop praising me or thanking me. Everything I did it for you, for us.
I know. But there are a few men in this life that have a heart of gold. And you're one of them. You're different.
Same way, there are few women like you who are this sweet and wonderful. And that's the reason why I pray so hard, begging God to give you grace to graduate on time, so that you can be my wife.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Once I'm done from the university, you can go and see my people.
Cindy. Cindy and Wendy.
Oh my God.
You know what? I think we should go inside and start practicing how to be husband and wife. Yes. Let's go.
This one you're sitting like this, staring at your blouse. Oh, what is it?
Mom, I'm not happy at all. I'm feeling very guilty.
Guilty? Guilty for what?
Mama, you sound as if you don't know. You're telling me to leave Olisa and get married to Desmond. If I marry Desmond, that will hurt Olisa so much. Olisa has done enough for me. For us, Mama.
Okay. So what is it that Olisa has done for you and us that no other human being has done for anybody?
Mama. Why are you sounding as if you've forgotten so soon? He has done a lot for us.
Wait, so you're trying to tell me you cannot exist without Olisa, eh? Is that what you're saying? Now let me ask you a question. When you met Olisa, were you not a virgin?
Mama.
Yes! Answer now. Then Olisa came and you opened up for him. And he took the special thing meant for your husband. So, he's give and take. He took from you and gave you back.
Mama!
So don't tell me about what he has done for you.
Mama, stop this thing you're saying. I don't like it.
Stop telling me to stop it. Okay, answer me. Are you still a virgin? Am I lying? Are you a virgin now?
Mama, stop now.
Oh yeah.
Mama, please. I can't pay Olisa enough for what he has done for me.
My daughter, please stop talking about Olisa. Think about Desmond. Desmond is a good man and he is rich. He will take care of us.
Mama, you keep talking about getting married to Desmond. What about love? I'm not even sure if he truly loves me.
That is not a problem. By the time you move into his house, you will know that he truly loves you. From the little I've seen him, what he's been doing and the way he's been taking care of, it is very obvious he loves you.
Mama, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why?
You really want to know why? No. You think you're in love with Olisa, right? I was in love with your father. When we talk about love, people know us now. I was in love with him and that was why I married him. You know Akwilili of Uzobodo? He came to marry me now. Who is richer than Akwilili around here? He came to marry your mother. But I turned him down because I was in love with your father. Do you know that when I go for meetings and I meet Akwilili's wife, I hide? Because I always come in this wrapper that is like nylon, falling all over the place. This woman will wear the best of George's, cord lace, big cloth. I'll be hiding myself. Even when I see Akwilili in his jeep and he wants to wave, I take cover. You don't need it. You understand what I'm telling you?
But Mama, my Olisa is not poor. He's not a poor man. He's okay.
He's okay. Olisa that can't even manage himself. That's Olisa that's been riding one car for the past 5 years. He's not a poor man. You're waiting for him to get down to keke before you call him poor. Do you know every time I go around that mechanic workshop, Olisa is there fixing the car. If he's not helping mechanic to, he's helping him to knock. If mechanic is under knocking, Olisa will be on top covering or knocking. If mechanic is on top knocking, Olisa will be under blowing. What kind of poverty is that? As old as he is, he's still living in his mother's house. My daughter, if you marry Desmond, your whole situation will change. Desmond is rich. He has cars. He has his own house. When I come for Omugo, I will have somewhere to stay. Feel free and feel like a big woman. You change my clothes. If you marry Elisa, you know that his mother is as big as myself now. We'll be trying to sit on one chair. Maybe one day the chair would even break. You know that chair in that corner in their house where she's always seated. Don't go there, please. I know why I'm trying to protect you. Besides, knowing Desmond is already showing in our lives. So, my daughter,
Papa, what will you have to?
Again? How many times will you greet me this afternoon? Eh?
Papa, I want to tell you that Desmond and his people are coming this weekend.
And how is that my business?
Papa, they are coming to pay my bride price.
Look, I want to rest. Just leave me alone. I don't want to talk about some rascal now.
Papa, Desmond is not a rascal.
I don't need you to tell me what he is or not. Now, let me ask you, Christian. Have you taken time to look at that young man? Does he look like somebody that wants to get married to you at that matter? Huh? Does he look like somebody that knows the value of a woman in a man's life? All he cares about is brag and boast about the sum of money he has.
Papa, I'm not complaining. I love him like that. I'm not complaining.
I don't care if you are complaining or not. But listen to me. Count me out of that thing you and your mother started. I will not be a part of it. And I don't want to talk about it again. Leave. Now let's leave this place. Desmond. Look at that man coming to me in son-in-law.
Oh, please, what do we do? I don't want to lose Desmond.
Don't you trust your mother?
I do.
Don't worry. I know what to do. I don't know what is wrong with my husband. Yeah? Good things are coming our way and he just doesn't seem to be interested.
I don't really understand. Let me understand.
Well, there's this young man that came back from overseas. The man is handsome, he is loaded, he's very rich. And he's asking for Funania's hand in marriage. But your brother, my husband, is against it.
Why would you choose a thing like that?
Oh. Well, I think it's because of that Olisa that trained Funania in school. So he's not going to be in support of any other person getting married to her.
Well, I'll go and consent to him.
Nani, please, I don't really want you to talk to him. What I'm here to ask of you is to stand in for him. Act like Funania's father when the in-laws come. After all, you're Funania's father's elder brother. Funania is also your daughter. By the way, this is something good from our in-law. I want you to enjoy with me. This is just small.
Huh?
Yes, so there's more from where that is coming. It's only your brother that will use this kind of thing.
Hey! Don't worry. I will even invite Wednesday and
motherfucker. Who will be there?
No. We don't need to invite all those people. We don't want a crowd. My angel wants to use money to cover everything. So we don't really need a crowd. Oh, just your presence. That's all we need.
Okay. Just count me in. Eh? Hey. I'll be there.
That's what I always talk about you. You're always very supportive. And you're very understanding. Nani, because I have to be on my way now, eh?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bless you. Hey.
Thank you.
Where did she get all this money from?
What is your problem, this girl? Why do you ask where this money is coming from? Will you go inside there and prepare me food?
Papa, you called me.
Yes, sit down. I want to ask you a question. And I want you to be truthful. Tell me the truth.
No, yes, Papa.
Has police offended you in any way?
No, Papa.
He has not offended you.
Yes.
Then what is going on?
Nothing, Papa. Nothing is going on.
Nothing?
Yes, Papa. I just needed a breath of fresh air.
What does that one mean?
Papa, can't I have another friend again? Olisa is not the only man in this world. I have right to mingle.
You have not answered my question, and you know that. What do you mean by breath of fresh air?
Papa, I want you to know that I'm a grown-up woman now. And I know exactly what I want in a man.
And you don't want Olise any longer?
Papa, I never said so. But it is not ordained that Olisa is my husband. God did not create me and made it mandatory that I must get married to Olisa. No, it's not like that. You're making it look as if I'm a very wicked person, but I am not. He saw me through school. Is he the only one that have trained someone in the university? He is not. Please, you should allow me. I'll not kill myself for him.
Let me tell you the truth. If you go ahead to do what you and your mother are planning to do, you are not just wicked, but you are heartless.
Papa!
Why did you go ahead to give the young man hope when you know that he was no longer good enough for you? Why? Now, I want you to remember how everything started. Because I remember it, I had it in my hand, like yesterday.
What is it, Mama? Wait, Mama. He's inside. What happened? If you see what happened today, say what it is now. Mama, I am the happiest girl in this village.
Okay, if you're not ready to tell me, then you just mind your business.
Mama.
Yes?
Olisa has promised to send me to the university.
What did you say?
I said he has promised to send me to the university.
Hey!
Olisa promised to send you to the university?
Papa, I will be starting school on Saturday. It is confirmed.
Hey, awesome God you are. University.
Yes, sir.
Olisa, that boy has the heart of a father.
I'm telling you.
Let me just go and say thank you to him.
It's not let me. Let us.
Let's go.
Come on, fire.
Let's go.
Hey!
I called two of you because I feel I have something important to say to you. We all know that things are very hard. Yet Olisa wants to pay for Nanya's university school fees. I think he has lifted a heavy burden off my shoulders, off our shoulders. And I would want us to always remember him in our prayers so that his pocket will never run dry.
You've spoken well as usual.
Thank you, my dear.
You know, those days that we were thinking of where to raise money for, to pay for her school fees, I mean, I had sleepless nights. Every night I'll stay awake and wonder and think. And this young boy, such a child, comes and decides to pay for her school fees.
Oh.
It's only God that can pay him back.
Amen.
I will never in my life forget this good gesture. Never. Never.
It is good that we don't forget it. Funai, there is something that Olisa saw in you. He saw the star in you that attracted him. Please don't let that star run dim. Don't disappoint us. Always remember where you came from and put God first in everything you do. Please.
Papa, I promise you, I will never disappoint you.
Thank you, that's right.
I trust my daughter. You see this girl? Yes. I trust my daughter. I said it 2 times for emphasis. I know the kind of person she is.
That's right.
That Aki.
Yes.
I don't know if we can bring it to you now.
Yes, I'm already hungry.
Okay. Akinde. Kilidi.
In my next life, I will marry you. Yes, my dear. Please sit down.
Oh.
Just sit down. Hey! Very sweet. You cooked very well. As usual.
Thank you. Thank you.
As usual. Hey! I want you to know that Olisa and Funanya will strengthen the relationship between the two families. And I want us to avoid anything, any act at all that will cut the relationship between the two families.
Nani, I understand where you're coming from.
Thank you.
And I want to assure you, from now on, I have taken Olisa as my own son.
Oh,
no one would
you.
want to hurt his reflection.
Thank you so much. That is what I mean. We shall take him as our own. Our own now.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Please get me more water.
More water. Okay.
Do you know why I called you out here?
No, Papa.
There is this saying that only a fool does not remember where the rain started beating him. Because definitely he will not remember where it stopped. Olisa and his people saw something in you. And they love you as their own.
I know, Papa.
Do you also know that it is a terrible thing to bite the finger that feeds you?
It's not a good thing, Papa.
Do you know why it is important to announce the coming of the rain before it eventually comes?
Papa, I know exactly where you're heading to. And I promise you, my father, I will never disappoint you. I won't.
Look at my eyes. Don't fail me.
Never.
My father, my father.
You're welcome, my daughter. How is school?
School is fine.
Welcome.
Because your daughter is now a graduate.
You don't mean that. Yes. You graduated. Mama Funaya. Mama Funaya.
Yes, I'm coming.
Come and hear this with your ears. Come. Hey! Okay.
Funaya,
Mama,
did you tell me you were coming?
that is because I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes, Mama.
What is the surprise?
Which is that your daughter, Funaya, is now a graduate.
I can't believe this. My daughter, a graduate?
I'm telling you, Mama.
Graduate mom. Hey! Olisa, my son. Only boy. Only Baba. God will bless you.
Amen.
You will see no harm.
Amen.
Anybody that tries to harm you, hey, God will massacre. Will destroy.
Amen.
Will get everything back. God will
Amen.
do to the person.
Amen.
Hey, you know what? It's called for a situation. Oh yeah. We'll go outside and keep my business going. Let's go inside. Come on, hey, please, I graduate. I will keep my biggest
Papa, don't say this. Are you serious?
Let me ask you one question.
All right.
You have been visiting Olisa in the city.
Yes, I do.
Has he said anything to you like he wants you?
Papa.
No, I'm a man. You know, I'm a man. And I've seen that he likes you.
Yeah.
Has he said anything like that?
See, Papa, he wants it to be official. And we both agreed that after my NYC, then he will come and meet you for the proper rites.
Oh, so that means two of you already have it in mind.
Yes.
Papa.
That's what I want to hear.
Yes, we love ourselves.
Yes. What about you? Have you told your mother?
Mama knows now. She knows already.
Uh-huh.
Yes, she does.
And she has kept it from me all this while.
Mother and child. You mustn't hear everything, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Hey!
Papa, why will you keep dwelling in the past? This whole thing is gone. Allow it to remain in the past.
It is the past that brought the present. And the present we bring tomorrow. If we don't have the past, we won't have the present and we won't have the future. When you were rounding off your youth service, both of you agreed. You told me that both of you agreed to get married by January.
Papa, that was then. I changed my mind. I'm no longer interested.
You changed your mind. Now when you changed your mind, did you tell him? He is a human being. You would have told him earlier enough for him to move ahead with his life.
He can always move ahead with his life if he so pleases. It's his life.
Have you put yourself in his shoes?
Papa, why should I put myself in his shoes? Papa, please. I did not mean to be disrespectful. But I was doing something inside when you called me. And I want to return to what I was doing.
I will not hinder you from doing what you were doing. You can go ahead and go for the whole world if you like. But God will bear me witness that my hand is not in what you and your mother are doing. So that when the law of karma will come lacerating your back, I will be here to laugh at you. I will laugh at you.
Karma does not have any rights or any power over me. Karma can never do me anything.
Don't worry. We are all here. I will be here. You are there. We will see. We will see. Your wife came to me. Yes, I know. And I also hope that she told you that I am not in support of what they are planning. Did she tell you that?
I wonder why you are not in support of such good thing coming your home.
What is the good thing coming my home? That Funanya will leave the boy that suffered and trained her in the university to marry a total stranger? What is good about it?
Uchendo.
Yes?
Let me tell you right now. If on that day you refuse to be present, I, Anika, I will go ahead give Funanya's hand in marriage to Desmond.
And that's all. Am I complaining? I didn't say you shouldn't give her hand in marriage to Desmond, but you must bear the consequence with your head.
Just that. Which consequences?
The consequence that will follow. Be ready to bear it.
Look at good things coming into our family. You want to reject it?
Something good happened before now. And that good thing is Solisa.
And you left the whole house open.
I was in a hurry.
Who brought all those things at the back of the house?
What are you talking about?
Food stuff like meat, stockfish, even firewood and drinks.
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know?
Maybe it's Mama that kept them. I don't know. I'm not sure.
What could Mama be doing with all those things?
Baby, I just told you that I do not know. I'm just coming back. I don't know.
Naya, is there something you're not telling me?
Baby, what's your problem? Why are you questioning me? I don't know now.
Ogoma.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah.
What are you? That your daughter is getting married.
Oh, that? Of course she's getting married. Oh, you've not heard? Hey, God has been awesome. He sent one wonderful man, very tall, fair like this. They call him the Dawn. He wants to marry my daughter. He is loaded, I'm telling you. After all my Ogoma, have you forgotten? The same daughter you couldn't train. You can't pay her university fee. You asked her to go and learn how to sew. And I took it upon myself, begged my son to train that girl. At the end of the day, you are telling me this. He's getting married to the Don. He has money. Look at what you're saying. You! Mama Lisa. Forward ever. Backwards never. After all we've done for your family, you trained. Your son trained my daughter. So? You are the one saying this? Yes! I thought your son was running a charity organization. So, must my daughter die? Because your son trained her in the university. People train people and nothing is tied to it. Your son is not destined to marry my daughter, else this dawn would not have come our way. What are we talking about? Listen, even WHO gives money to Nigeria. When we don't pay it back, they don't even harass us. So what's the big deal? Eh? If you have something better to say, you say. You're very ugly. I'm so disappointed.
You're very ungrateful. Look at you. See the way you're talking now, your mouth is blah, 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 blah. You forgot it so soon.
Don't you know what is happening in this country? Who is the president? Boo boo!
What has that got to do with what I'm saying?
Have you heard of recession? Have you? So you want me and my daughter to die at this period? Your son has nothing to offer.
A daughter you couldn't take care of.
So God.
A daughter you could not send to school. You're telling me about the country. Yes. What has that got to do with this?
We need to survive. Mama Olisa, we need to survive. We were dying until this dawn stepped into our life. You know, singing. There's nothing we can do about it though. We're moving forward, my dear. I'm sorry, Biko. Let your anger not be too high. Just, you know?
I'm surprised. I'm really, really surprised that you're saying this. You're vomiting this thing from your mouth.
Well, you know what? We will pay back whatever. I will tell Dawn and we'll collect the receipts from your son, calculate everything and pay you in dollars. Biko. Alright? Thank you.
Love a woman, Okwero ndidi, Obimbawa, Ewelo na boya, love your woman over. Okwero ndidi, Kosiato,
Papa, my mind is telling me that money you collected from Mama from Nana was a bribe.
Raising your voice on me? Huh?
Papa, I'm not raising my voice on you. But if what I'm thinking is right, then you're not a good man.
So, Ebere have grown so wide as to stand before me and curse me anyhow? Look, if you don't live here now, I will curse you. Hey!
Papa, I'm just saying my own. Just make sure you don't soil your hands with evil.
Get out. Look at this bed.
Obimbawa, Ewelo na boya, love your woman over. Okwero.
What's wrong with you? What's in my hand? What is going on? What do you mean what is going on here? Are you getting married? Nana, I am talking to you. Bring your voice down. We have visitors inside. Nana, are you trying to marry another man? After all Olisa has done for you. What's your problem? What's your business? I'm a grown-up woman. I know exactly what I want from a man. Please. Hey. Nana, so this is true. What for Nana? Leave me now. For me. See. I can see you don't like good things. But you know what? We love good things. Yes. Now get out of my house. Mama, do you want to kick you? Hey, baby, go now. Go. Get out of here. Go. You don't want to go. Yeah.
What? It has happened. It has happened. Eh?
Did I not tell you that this whole thing was going towards that direction? Didn't I?
What are you talking about today?
Nanya is getting married today in a low-key.
It's not possible. You know it.
What is not possible? Huh? What is impossible? Okay. But you spent the whole day with her yesterday. Would that stop her from getting married if she wants to get married today?
Tito, this thing you're talking about, Jonathan, did you see it with your own somebody told you.
I saw it with my eyes. I saw it with my eyes. Oh. You see the problem I have with you? Why do you trust this game so much? You don't trust me, your friend, right? Fine, I'm going.
Tell me, did you actually see them? Or somebody told you?
I'm tired of talking, Olisa. If you don't believe me, go there and see things for yourself. Or wait till tomorrow you get news.
Our in-law, the bride price in this community has not changed. It's 15,000 naira only.
Well, we'll give you 5,000. Dad, say no more. You know what? Respect me, Sean. That's the deal. Make money and shine. What did I say?
Make money and shine.
Say it again.
Make money and shine.
You can do better than this.
Make money and shine.
That's what I'm talking about. This is 100 more.
100,000 naira for just bride price.
Hey!
Son is equal to the tax.
What am I doing?
Now listen. I want you all. What did I say? I want you all to deliberate on this issue, like talk like men, discuss whatever comes up, like an addition to whatever you want me to do. You know what to do. I'm waiting. My God.
You call him your in-law. See, marry your daughter? Did I ever tell you that I will give this man my daughter as he married? Did I?
My brother, where are you going?
Where are you going to? Eh? You better not step out of this compound. If you do, we will continue with the marriage right.
Heap curses upon yourself.
Why would I heap curses on myself? After all, we're dressed in the same color. Let us do this thing together.
What is going on inside? Nanya and the mother have disappointed me.
They have disappointed me. My son, what I want you to understand is that I am not part of what is happening inside me.
Mama from Nanya.
What are you doing here?
Mama, Mama, hold on now, Mama, stop.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Love a warm nana. Okweron didi. Obimbawa. Ewe logo na boya. Love ya bomu nopa. Okweron didi. Kosiafo. Love unere koko. Love a warm nana. Okweron didi.
Leave it. No, you believe me. I'm okay. I'm okay. Take it easy. I'm okay.
Then let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey!
Why are you losing yourself to go mad? You're getting me scared. Stop this thing you're doing. Stop this.
Hey!
Onyeka, do you know this world is terrible?
Yes, I know.
Do you also know that the people living in this world are terrible people like them?
Olisa, stop.
Hey!
Olisa, listen to me. Let's go. On this, there's nothing you can do about it.
Hey!
Okay?
I'm hot. Too.
Stop it. This is Mero. Look at how people are looking at us.
Hey. Okay, let's go.
What are you doing?
Hey! But people of this world are terrible. This one is just terrible. What kind of thing is this now? Oh.
Hold yourself. Eh? Hold yourself. Will you die because Fumnaya and her mother decided to shock us? It's okay. It's okay. Hold yourself. Huh?
But you see that woman will never go unpunished. She will never go unpunished.
Yes.
She will be served with the same plate that she served my son with.
What I don't understand, Mama, is what she gave to my Fumnaya. Or what she did to her. I made Fumnaya to turn around on me like this. What haven't I done for her? The girl that I stood by, even in rain and in sun, there was no way Fumnaya called me that I did not answer her.
Oh.
Look at what she did to me, that isn't fair. Ah! Oh!
It's not fair, but it's okay. Get hold of yourself. You are a man. Maybe that is how God wants it.
And I support your mother. Could be the way God wants it.
Let's go. But this is terrible.
Stop that. Hey, my man.
When love goes away, it may never come back again.
Dimle. Hey, let me help you.
Oh, my life is so beautiful. Mama, my life is so beautiful. Our life is so beautiful.
Hey! Instead of this food to be in the pot, it should be where?
In the stomach.
Hey!
Where is my own food?
Your own food? Which food?
For the past 2 days, I have not been served food in this house.
Papa, I don't understand you.
Eh?
Were you not the very one that said that you do not want to have anything to do with Desmond or his money? For your own information, all the food items in this house were bought with Desmond's money.
Including the tubers of yam in my barn?
Must we eat yam all the time? If you want to eat yam, go there and eat. We are not goats that eat yam.
Alright.
Hey, darling, please, when coming back, get us another cup of water. What you want?
Papa, I don't understand this mama's family. When is she coming back?
You talk as if you don't know him. She will want to finish everything.
It's just I'm hungry. And you know, I don't normally stop on the way to eat.
Let's wait for her a little while. She will soon be back. And how is Abuja now?
Abuja is just there. Only that it's getting hotter and hotter every day.
That's what we see in northern Nigeria.
Olisanda,
Lisa.
I saw your car outside. I was wondering. You didn't tell me you're coming today.
Mama, you know I always want to surprise you.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're full of surprises.
Yes.
My husband, how are you? How are you?
Fine, my wife. My hard-working wife.
Well done with your yam.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Her name is from Naya. She's the girl that is helping me in this house. Very hardworking.
Thank you, my dear. God bless you, for helping my mother. God bless you. Welcome. Mama, I'm very hungry. I don't know if there's any food in this house.
What kind of a question is that? If there is food in my house. There's a lot of food in my kitchen. Let me go and wash my hands and get you something to eat.
You're asking if she has food. She is food herself.
That my mother is food herself.
Mama, I want to start going. Let me go and drop it.
Sizu, come, let's go to the kitchen and get something for them to eat. No. Thank you, my dear. I'm coming.
Okay.
She's a nice girl. She's a nice girl. Very hardworking. I worked with the farm. The law wouldn't cancel some few years.
What's that?
I'll go there.
Mama, I want to go to school. I do not want to be a tailor. I did very well in my exams. I even scored above the cutoff mark.
Yeah.
Mama, please, I need to go to school.
Don't worry. It's okay, stop crying. Wipe your tears. You will go to school. I'll beg my son to help you. Oh?
Mama, you will do that?
Yes.
Oh, Mama, thank you so much.
What is that? Your way. Is that not from Naya that
She's the one. She came to tell me that her father wants her to learn tailoring. He doesn't have money to train her in the university. And that girl is very intelligent. She has been helping me all the time. Very beautiful girl.
I see.
My son. Is there anyhow you can be of help to her? Please. I want you to help her.
Mama, you know how it is now. You know how the economy is. My whole capital is tied down to those goods that I'm expecting from China.
Yes, you said so. Nana, at least, just small now.
Thank you. She's very intelligent. beautiful and she's always helping me. That girl is always helping me. I really want you to help her.
Okay, I'll see what I'll do now. Give that to me.
Oh, so, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama, I've always known that you were looking for such an opportunity like this. So that you can connect I and her together.
What do you mean? How?
Mama, I'm not a small boy. I'm not a small boy, Mama. And I know you. I know when you're up to something.
I know you're not a small boy, and I know what is good for you.
Okay, boy, I want to go. I'll see you later.
No, Mama, I want to take you off.
You go back to school. Yes, you will. I need you to go home now. List out all the necessary that you need to get before you leave for school. Especially your school fees, accommodation and feeding, and other things that you can remember that are very necessary. Bring it here tomorrow. Okay? Then I'll see what I can do.
Sorry. Thank you very much.
Please get up. Please don't ever kneel down for me. It's only God that was supposed to kneel before. Yeah? Just go home and do what I asked you to do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your parents? Papa?
Good night.
Yes, Papa.
Sir, you did well, my son.
Will you listen to us?
I had a few things. You did well. Do these things. Go and get that keg of palm wine. Let's celebrate in advance.
Papa, but it's not fair. You shouldn't be listening to people when two adults are involved in conversation. It's not nice.
Please forgive me. I'm not doing that. But please let the discussion continue. Agunda.
I'll try and send the remaining money for you by Monday latest. It's just that times have been very hard now, and market is not even moving at all.
I understand, but our exams are starting on Tuesday.
Okay, I'll see what I'll do. Even if he requires me to borrow, I'll borrow. I'll send you. You just don't worry. Just promise me that you study your books and stay out of trouble.
I'll do that. I'll study my books and I'll make you proud. Thank you very much.
Is the most beautiful thing in the world. There's nothing as wonderful as.
Hey, Mama.
Hey. Oh, you are my son. I can't stop thanking you for all that you've been doing for this family. I mean, it's because of you that my daughter is in the university. God will bless and replenish your pocket.
Amen.
Mama, truth be told, it's not about me, it's about God. Because if I hadn't done it, God will still use some other person to fulfill this purpose.
You're right, but God chose you. Eh? I should be calling you the chosen one, you know. Eh? Look, He chose you because what you're doing for us here, I mean, look at her. You know, the other day we were thinking of how to put money together for her to go to the university. Now she's in her final year. And they will soon call me graduate mama. It's due to your good naturedness. And we really appreciate it. Yeah. Nah, you're back.
What is it? You're in our house.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. You already...
Papa, you know, I need to drop her at the park early so that she can get a good vehicle. Calabar is not here.
Yes, my son. Thank you so much. It's only God that will repay you for all the good things you've been doing for us.
Amen.
My son.
Thank you so much.
I want to ask of one thing. Before you go back to the city, please, I would appreciate it if you can come and visit us.
Oh, Mama, I'm going to come and eat good food.
Hey! Hi, Onisa! Love you, come on!
Take care. Thank you so much. Be sure you read your books to justify the payment. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Hey, Onisa, look after her. Make sure she enters a good vehicle. I will, Mama.
Bye-bye. Let's wait.
Nah, be going. Let me look at my daughter. Oh. Bye! Hey, she's holding her tight.
I just don't know how to thank you for everything you've done for me and my family. May God Almighty continue to bless you. You've done so much.
But from Naya, I've told you not once, not twice. Stop praising and thanking me. It's not necessary.
No, it is.
Why?
You've loved, cared, and you've always been there for me and my family.
So you deserve my gratitude, my dear.
Anyway, for me, all these praises and thanks that you're giving to me, they all belong to Almighty God. Because He's the one that makes everything possible. It's through His grace, love, and provision that we're even alive. I mean, so just forget it.
I know, but it only takes a man with a good heart. A man with a beautiful heart, just like you. You know I love you.
I love you too.
There is something I would want to tell you, but I don't even know how to start.
Just say it.
You know I really love you from the depth of my heart. And I would be the happiest woman on earth if we could be husband and wife. I don't know, but it will please me so much to wake up one morning and I see you lie beside me as my husband. It will please my soul. I don't know if I'm overstepping my boundary, but I'm just saying.
In that case, marry me. Yes, Funaya. Will you marry me?
Are you asking me? Of course I will marry you. Oh my God.
Till it's gone. Don't break the heart that loves you. True love is hard to find. When love goes away, it may never come back again. Don't break the heart that loves you.
I was thinking, since I'm almost done with my service, don't you think we should proceed with the marriage plans?
Yes, you're right, but I spoke to Papa about it. And he said we should hold on at least that we have just barely 3 months to finish your youth service. That we should just wait and after that we can get married. I think he's right if you ask me.
Okay. What about January?
I think January is a perfect time.
I can't wait to be the mother of your kids.
I can't wait to be your husband.
Oh.
Waking up next to you every morning and sleeping next to you every night.
I'm going to wake up and it will be all a dream. confident to be the truth.
Love a warm nana, Okwera ndidi, Obimbawa, Ewelo Bona Boya, love your boy.
Honestly, I don't believe Funaya could do that.
Tell you the truth. I'm sort of lost. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to believe.
What has that man done to Funaya?
I don't know. The only thing I know is that I have checked myself totally and there's no way that I hurt Funaya. I did not hurt her. The only wrong thing that I probably must have done to her is to love her genuinely. That's all.
This is madness. I will go and talk to her.
Please do. Do your best for me, please.
Listen, you are a man. You have to be strong. I know that you love Funaya with all your heart. Please, try and be strong, okay?
I'll try.
Please do.
Thank you so much. I will see you again.
Okwera ndidi, Gosiafu, love unerekoko, love a warm nana, Okwera ndidi.
What did he tell you? What do you mean? You want to leave him for another day? After all he has done for you. Have you asked yourself where you would have been without Elisa?
I know what I want in a man. I know exactly what I want in a man.
Oh, really? But you know the same person that told me that Olisa was all you wanted in a man. And how good and nice he was to you.
I know Olisa more than you do. There's no way you can compare Olisa to Desmond. Desmond is a rich guy. Olisa is still managing his life. I want someone that can comfortably take care of myself and my family. Please, I do not want to suffer. Olisa should go. I need a rich man. Yes.
Okay. Now I get it right. So it is all about money now.
Before? Who doesn't want money? You that is seated here. Don't you want to marry a rich man? Please, don't even go there. I want a rich man as a husband.
Funanya. It's not fair.
Funimi.
It's not fair at all what you're doing.
I mean, I don't understand you. Seriously, what is even your problem? Are you not supposed to be happy for me? For my progress so far? As your sister, are you not supposed to be happy?
How will I be happy that you're dumping a man that made you what you are today?
Oh, please stop it. What are you talking about? So you're trying to say without Olisa I would have been a dead person?
Without Olisa, you wouldn't have been a graduate. Have you not heard stories about girls who did the same kind of thing you're doing to Olisa and how Nemesis caught up with them? Have you not?
Ebe, please, I beg you in the name of God Almighty. Please, stop it. Why are you carrying this issue up as if it's your burden? What is it? If it's paining you so much and you feel I have hurt Olisa, why don't you go and console him by getting married to him so that I can rest? What is it?
Funaya, you are shouting at me because I'm telling you the truth.
I was busy inside before you called me out. I want to go back to what I was doing. When you are done beating Olisa, you can go. The gate is wide open.
Funaya.
Mama, if I had seen this in a dream or somebody told me, I wouldn't have believed that this would eventually happen.
Are you Joseph the dreamer? Why are you coming here to talk about dreams? Let me even ask you. I heard you've been going around telling everybody that you paid for my daughter's school fees. Talking, making so much noise about it. Would you be the first person to train someone in the university? You've been ranting and raving, talking about it. Is it supposed to be for public consumption?
Mama, do you know how much it cost me to see Fuma through the university?
How much? What is it that you've done for my daughter that no other man has done for somebody else? Oh, tell me now. Let's do checks and balances. Yes! Because for those 4 years, you know when you met my daughter, she was a virgin. Yes, a very religious girl. She would go to church with her chaplet, come back looking good, religious. You could feel the glow on her body. Yes! When you started eating her, 4 good years, you've been diving into her affairs. Now her breasts are almost flat. A small girl like that with flat breasts. Is it a good sign? You're the one that has to pay me back. Nonsense.
Mama.
Hey, don't call me that, Mama. I am not your mother. Don't you ever call me Mama again.
This is what you're going to say to me, Mama.
What do you want me to say? You want me to jump up and down because you think you paid for my daughter to go to school? Which university? Common university. That she was going to with Keke. Did you ever drop her off? She will trek and come back and be very tired. But you still come in the night to pick her to go and do your job.
Mama!
Papa! Papa! Why are you singing Mama, like as if you're flavor? Don't you ever call me Mama, I'm not your mother. Do I even look like her?
You're breaking my heart into pieces.
Oh, I am breaking your heart. When you were breaking my daughter's something you didn't know. Nonsense. Don't look. If you don't have anything to say to me, get out of my compound. Yes. Get out of my compound before I do something I will regret.
I'll go. But do not forget that there is God in heaven, oh, and He's seen all of us.
Oh.
And He's capable of paying all of us.
Hey! He's already paying you. He has started paying you for deceiving my daughter. God said you should not sleep with a woman until you marry her. But you took my daughter 4 good years. Morning, afternoon, and night. You think I don't see her when she's sleeping out? You'll be delving into her affairs. Delving into her affairs. Delving into her affairs. Eh? My friend, if you don't have anything to say here, walk out of my house. Get out of my compound. I've told you to stop calling me Mama now. Get out now. See you. Stop looking at me like that. 4 good years. Delving into somebody's affairs. Look at him. He's even crying. He's not even a man. Oh, you didn't even come with a car. Of course. The car will be back at the mechanics. I'm sure you're even owing them. You want to come and marry. Allow my daughter to marry someone that will take care of her. You've had enough. Osgo.
Have I become so small that you cannot see me? Didn't you see me?
Am I blind? Of course I saw you.
Oh, you saw me?
Yeah.
I'm afraid to greet me.
I don't feel like greeting you. By the way, are you here to see me? Is it not my husband you've come to see? Go and see the person you've come to see now.
This woman, you saw me and did not greet me.
And I'm still seeing you. Please don't disturb my wife.
Nonsense. Hi! Even my friend.
Ogidi ka mmiri mmiri enyi. Ogidi ka mmiri
Uche ndụ nwoke m.
You're welcome, my friend. Sit down, sit down. Thank you. Let me just get you color.
Oh no, forget about color.
You're welcome, my brother. Welcome, my friend. I want you to understand that all that has been happening in this my house, I have no hands in them. I'm not part of any of these things you have been hearing. That's what I want you to understand. There's an adage that used to go like this. An elder who says that he doesn't know how to make ridges is simply being common. My friend, everything happened so fast? This young man came from nowhere and brainwashed my family with sweet tongues and money. He was flashing money here and there. My wife and my daughter lost it. In fact, in this house now.
And they decided to bite the finger that fed them. It's alright. The deed is done. I just come to know if there is any bad thing my son did to your daughter that made her to tear his heart like this.
My brother, when I interviewed my daughter, she told me that Olisa did nothing wrong to her. He never wronged her in any way.
So, in other words, your daughter deliberately decided to hurt my son in spite of all the good things he did for her.
I am also hurt. I am as hurt as your son. Because my wife and Funaya, my daughter, they left me in shock. I was swept off the ground. I'm telling you. And this house has not been what it used to be since then. I'm in pains.
It's alright. It's alright. Since you said my son did nothing, and like I said, the deed has been done. I should be on my way.
I still didn't want to take it.
No. Thank you for your call. Thank you.
What I know is that the children we get cannot destroy our friendship of hope.
Not when they are brought up by this kind of woman you call a wife.
Don't worry about that woman. Don't worry about that. I'm already tired of that. So there's nothing I
Thank you.
That's it. I will be carrying my cross. Ogoma is my cross. I'll keep her honorable. She has done it everywhere. My son, the eye has seen a lot of terrible things. That there is nothing that will make it shed blood.
I just keep having this feeling that I'm dreaming. I want to wake up and find out that it's actually a dream, that it's not real. That's the way I feel.
Yeah, Mom.
Hey.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming.
You got no problem. I got you anytime, Mom.
Thank you.
I got you.
Thank you. You know those things you gave me. No one has ever given me such things before. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Say no more. What did I say? Say no more.
Say no more.
As long as you keep doing the right thing, you will get what you've never gotten in your whole entire life. Trust me.
Thank you.
Don't mention, Mama. Don't mention. That's my baby right there. I got her all the time. I need you in my life. I need you.
I cannot wait.
The dawn in the making, though.
I know.
The dawn in the making. So bad. Retarded shit. Well, meanwhile, cop, just make do with this for your S-Mass, you know, just make do with this. It's some mullah right there. It's some mullah right there. And you, stop acting like you don't need his money. You need this mullah more than anybody. Now you make do with this for your S-Mass too. I'm a philanthropist. I help people. That's what I do. I help people. That's what I do.
The dawn.
That's what I do.
Young man.
That's what I do.
I didn't tell you that I needed your money. I don't need your money.
You have to do that. Nani, why is it that you're always ungrateful when somebody does something for you? Don't you know how to say thank you?
Did I beg him for money?
Please, Don't worry, I'll keep the money for you.
It's okay, my darling. It's okay.
All for my baby. Otherwise, all for my baby. For mom, this is all good.
The dawn!
I got you,
The
mama.
dawn that makes things
I got you, mama. I got you, and I need my baby all time, man. I need my baby. My baby is more important than anyone else. Your keep snitching. You. Mama, I'll see you later in the day.
Okay.
Alright?
I got
baby,
you.
Holla at me. What did I say?
Holla at you.
Say it again.
Holla at you.
Say it one more time.
Holla at you, baby.
For the last time.
Holla at you, baby. I got you. I got you.
I got you, mama. And I need you.
Hey! Oh! Nick has eaten shit. I'm eating real shit. Hey! Imagine that big head of a boy. That big head looked at me. Will he say, look at he's giving me money for Christmas. No, Yeka, it's not a laughing matter at all. It's not a laughing matter. Because since I was born, I've never been this embarrassed before. Never! For what now? Eh?
Olisa. Olisa. Olisa, my good friend. I understand how you feel. If you will listen to my advice, I will tell you to forget everything that has to do with from Nanya. Forget it. She's married already, you can't reverse it. All I want you to do is to pull yourself together and start a new life. You know how much I love you. You know. Oh, love will certainly find you. It will.
Yeah, if a prophet had told me that this was going to happen before now, I would have spat on his face, trust me. I don't care how big the person would have been. How can this? Oh God.
The greatest mistake you made was to give her your love and your heart. Yes. But if you listen to me, go back to the city and move on with your life. Before you know it, you forget everything that has to do with from Nanya.
We're going back to the city tomorrow.
That's it. That's what I want you to do.
But this is not fair. Why are people like this?
Everybody cannot be like you, my brother.
Are they like this?
They can't be like you. Come on. You are one boy
How are you? I was hunting for you. Well, I came to show you the new car that my husband bought for me. Hey, you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? You want me to clap for you? Look, if you like, you come here with airplane. That does not change the fact that what you did to her was total wickedness and heartless.
Ebere, why will you continue to live in the past? Why are you bringing up this issue? I am showing you the car that my husband bought for me, and you're talking about what happened in the past?
Oh, You think it's in the past. Funanya, what you did to Olisa cannot be forgotten easily. Olisa sacrificed everything for you to graduate from university, and all you could do to pay him back is this.
Vera, please let me hear what? What's your problem? Who will see a man like Desmond the Don, mind the word, the Don in quotes, and leave him for Olisa? For what now? Why should I do that? Are you not enemy of progress? Eh? And for your information, my dear, my husband is taking me to SA. That is South Africa. Because I know you don't know the meaning. You're just a village girl. Oh yes. And we're going to live there forever.
And you think life is a bed of roses over there?
Ebere, what is your problem? Why can't you be happy, at least for once, for your sister that is progressing? Why can't you be happy?
I cannot be happy for what you did to Olisa. Olisa does not deserve such wickedness, Funanya.
You want to marry Olisa? Why are you so in love with Olisa? Go and marry him now. If that is your problem, go and marry him. I have dumped him. I do not want him anymore. I have a better man. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Why are you jealous for me? Instead of you to open your mouth and tell me that you're jealous, you're here whining your mouth. Can't you be happy? If you're happy for somebody else, good thing will come your way. Jealousy?
Me? Jealous?
Oh yes, you are.
Funanya, jealous of who? Jealous of what? Jealous of your Desmond? No, my sister. I am disappointed that you have lost your conscience. All because of what? Money!
Shut up your mouth! I'm even very, very stupid to have come here to show you my clean life. Can you imagine? I wasted my fuel to come here to receive insult from you. And if you don't take time, you will remain in this village. Jealousy!
I don't know how I'm going to take this. It's too much for me to bear.
Take it as you see. I will talk to you like a father talks to his son. It is needless crying over spilled milk. Funanya has followed money. And I will advise you to screw up your courage. Be a man. Just carry on with your life. You will find love in no time.
Oh? Well, I've heard what you said. I'll be going.
No! Don't go! Sit down there and cry like a baby. Nah. Sit down here. Nonsense. Yeah, come. Let me treat you like a baby.
Stop that now.
What did I do to you, Olisa? What did I do to you?
Why would you treat me in this manner? Did you forget that we're going to get married?
Olisa, please. I will appreciate it if you respect the fact that I'm someone else's now. My husband, Desmond the Don, will not be happy seeing us together. Please.
What is my offense? What did I do wrong? Eh? Is there anything that you ever wanted that I did not go out, even out of my way to provide for you? Come on. You should have at least advised me to go on my own. I should have sorted out my life.
Of course you can sort out your life if you want to now. Move on with your life. Am I holding you? Please. Hey. No. You're here. I remember. Bye. Yes. My husband, the Don, said I can be managing this for now.
Desmond the Don, the man that knows money. Of speaks money and does money things. How many men can do this? It only takes a rich man to give his wife this kind of guy, just to manage while he arranges for the main boy.
My husband, he don't loves surprises. He cares for me. He protects me. He loves me so much. And above all, he's a cheerful giver.
Oh, God brought this man into this family to take away the suffering that we were suffering since. Yeah. Now we can be happy and enjoy our lives. Hey, this is good. Let us start coming in. Yeah. I made Owasu. I didn't even know you were coming. Lots of fish. Mangala. You know that money that Don gave me the last time? I entered the market and I bought chunky pieces of fish. Hey!
Oh, Papa, please, let me hear this line.
Are you sure the guy is wrongly loved?
Yes, it's loved.
Hey! Let me walk like you a bit. Show me.
When love goes away, it may never come back again. Don't break the heart that loves you. Don't break the heart that loves you. True love is hard to find. When love goes away, it may never come back again. Don't break the heart that loves you.
Olisa. And what is the meaning of this? Do you want to drink yourself to death because of a woman?
This world is terrible.
Hey!
The people living in the world are terrible.
I know this. What I know is that God will forbid it, that my son will die because of a woman. My ancestors will forbid it. Now let me ask you, does an offspring of a lion feed on grass? No, not anymore. Not anymore. What do you want to do to yourself?
But the world is terrible.
I know that, but let's get into that first. Let's get inside and discuss it. Stand up, my son. Stand up. Who is a woman that will claim your life? Huh? God forbid. Forget it. I'm coming to collect them. Wait. I'm sure.
These people are terrible.
Very good. Why must I lose my son? Because Funaya disappointed us. Very also not regret. That I love them. Forget it. We'll make it there.
Ebere, how are you? Well, I came to tell you that I'll be traveling back to the city with my husband tomorrow. Then after 2 weeks, we'll be hitting SA, South Africa. Not saying anything.
Naya, I just pray that one day you come back to your senses. Goodbye.
What kind of jealousy is this? This your jealousy is too obvious. What's your problem? Sometimes you behave as if you are somehow related to Olisa. Are you okay? What kind of jealousy do you have?
When love goes away, it may never come back to you.
Baby,
When are you taking me to South Africa?
Soon.
Baby, every time you keep telling me soon. Baby, I told my girlfriend in the village, I told the babe that I'll be going to South Africa. I can't just wait to call her with South African number so that she will know that I've arrived. Please, now when are we going?
Listen. Speaking of South Africa, is it a must that we go to South Africa together?
But you promised to take me there.
So?
I was just curious. I can't just wait to go there. I just want to see how
Keep that curiosity to yourself. Stop bugging me.
Desmond. I don't understand you these days. Desmond, you have changed. This is not the Desmond I used to know. You get angry at every slightest provocation. Why?
That's because you piss me off with your silly questions. Now let me tell you, enough of this South African thing. Good morning.
Anyway, I hope you've not forgotten what today's date is.
So what's so special about today?
Today is a very special day in my life. My birthday! Baby.
You're making this sound like I won one big contract or there's a big project coming my way. So, your birthday. So what do I do?
No, I don't understand you. I just told you that today is my birthday. A very special day in my life. And look at what you're saying to me. My own husband.
So what do you want me to do? No, tell me.
At least you should wish me well. Long life and prosperity is all I deserve. That's your wife.
Oh, my wonderful wife. Precious, angelic wife just said I should wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, darling. I hope that's enough.
It is not enough. You aren't going anywhere. You should take me out.
Alright, I heard you. A cup of ice cream or two will do. They probably won't on this fast. Gotta be excuse me. Come on. Jerry, bring me outside.
Hey, what kind of a man is they doing? Are you going out?
No. I'm not going out. I'm going in. See?
You and your wife, God.
Why are you talking to me like that?
You see what I keep telling you about this bitch? See what I keep telling you about this girl? Bugging me all the time. What's the problem? I won't even have a moment of rest in this house.
I don't understand you. You were supposed to take me out.
Take you out? As in what? I'm sorry to disappoint you. We never had that discussion. Do you understand me? Nigga, you see what I keep telling you? No, don't tell me to calm down, Jerry. I don't like that. She's fond of this. Now you listen and listen real good. Go right in there to the kitchen and prepare my meal. That's where you belong, and the other room.
Your meal shouldn't be an excuse. Your meal is ready. I've prepared it.
Alright?
The issue is where you're going to.
You heard me. Get out of here! Wait. Look at you! Idiots that I brought out of that poverty-stricken home of yours. Yes. You guys never had food to eat. I was the one responsible for your being this girl today. Yet you still don't appreciate me. What do I get in return? Nothing. Insults. Idiot.
Goodness! What? Hey! That's more. Get that. So this is what you carry about? This one I cursed the day I met you!
You're talking to me like poverty.
This one!
Stupid woman, that's what you are.
This one, you didn't raise your hand against me.
And I will raise my hands over and over and over. If you don't, as much as I will use my belt and whip the hell out of you. You stupid ass. Silent bitch who is supposed to be appreciated on my efforts. Idiot. Not your fault.
Baby,
Everywhere we
you're here.
What's up, boo baby?
Yeah. I'm ready to go.
That's my baby right there. That's my baby right there. It's all good, man. You know how I do, baby. All right, I will hit you up at the club. You understand? You know when you jack it up like, you know how you jack it up like.
Yeah, but don't forget to bring the money when you're coming.
You know I don't want to spend it. As long as you give me this, tweak it up, tweak it up,
Yeah,
tweak it up.
Alright.
That's my baby. All right, be good, huh? So what are you supposed to do? Tweak it up, baby. Yeah, tweak it up. 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 You always come low. You always come low.
Desmond. Desmond! Who is that girl? I'm asking you a question. Who is that girl?
Sometimes I wonder if this house belongs to you or me. Huh?
Desmond, what are you talking about? That I saw a strange girl in my matrimonial home. I shouldn't talk? Who the hell is she?
Don't raise your voice at me. You understand me?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm calm. But please tell me, who is she and what is she doing in our house? Who?
She's just a friend. Just a friend.
What do you mean by that? A friend? But I don't know her.
You still know all my friends? What kind of friends I have out there?
Oh, please don't tell me that. You call her just your friend, but I saw her kissing you. Why are you lying?
Oh, so with all the education I gave you still don't know the difference between kids and men.
Desmond, stop lying to me. What is wrong with you? I saw her kiss you and you're still lying. Why would you kiss a girl like not your wife?
Don't talk to me in that manner. I'm your husband.
I'm your wife for crying out loud. What are you talking about? What are you doing with a strange girl in my house? Our house!
Let's just make it clear. You said our house. Oh, this house that I built with my own money, with my own cheddar, with my own moolah, with my own dough, with my own Benjamin, is what you refer to as our house?
You heard me properly.
You must be insane. Afford this kind of space. Can you afford this kind of a split seat mansion? can't because he doesn't have the money. He can't because he is a nobody. He can't because he is retarded.
Desmond, I have warned you. I have warned you time to that number that on no account should you involve my parents in any discussion I'm having with you. We wouldn't listen. Desmond, I don't like it though. I don't like it.
Now right this minute, I want you to get off my side. Get up! Get up!
Oh, my eyes have seen my ears. Desmond is not who we think he is. He yells at me. He talks to me anyhow. He gets angry at me on every single thing I do. He treats me like a house girl. But I'm tired. I'm very tired.
Men are like that. Just follow him with caution. Then gradually you will begin to understand him. And he too will begin to understand you. And everything will be fine. You understand what I'm saying?
Mama, it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me. I'll try.
What is God doing in this house?
Don't let me repeat myself. I said get me food to eat.
Desmond, I demand to know what you are doing with a gun. Why do you have a gun in your house?
You want to know what I'm doing with the gun?
Yes!
You want to know what I'm doing with the gun? You want to know what I'm doing with the gun? You want to know what I'm doing with the gun?
Desmond!
Oh! What do you mean you don't want? Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I am not in the mood for all this. Leave me alone.
Oh, come on.
I'm not in the mood for that. I said I'm not in the mood for that. Leave me. I'm not doing this with you. Leave me.
Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I I said I do not want. Let go. Oh my God. I can never be a soft with a woman.
Have you made my breakfast?
It's at the dining.
My food is at the dining.
Seriously, I'm not happy. I don't like the way you've been treating me lately. You don't treat me as your wife. Last night you dragged me as if I was a dog. Now you started it again. Please. You should stop this thing you're doing. I'm not feeling fine. I need money. I need money to go to the hospital and take care of myself.
You need money to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Tell her to the beds.
Imano kwerekwe Kambuziano wemo Okaromo bi Ujina tumo Oboko asiade Kosia tom kosia fo Love unere koko Love a woman.
Can I help you? What the fuck? You asking me if you can help me? What a rude way of talking to me. Who the hell do you think you are? Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Look at this cheap fool. Hello? Have you lost your senses? So you came to my husband's house. Oh, you don't know that Desmond is married. And you opened the silly mouth to ask me stupid questions. Are you mad? Have you lost it? I said, will you shut up your mouth? Don't you have manners? Don't you know how to welcome visitors? Jonah, who are you? Just shut your mouth and get your filthy self out from my way. You are the one who has to shut your mouth. Shut it! Look at you! You're very shame. You are capable of shame. You're very stupid. So you come to my husband's house and order me around. At all. If you try any nonsense with me, I will break you.
Enough of that.
You are this property what is doing in my house, baby.
How many times have I ever want you not to ever insult my visitors or embarrass them in any sort of way?
You're loving your wife, and you will not get it if you don't mind your business.
You understand? Walk with me. What business of yours is there?
Okay, baby, wait.
The truth of the matter right now is that I'm sick and tired of you. I need you no more in my life. It's clearly obvious you're tired of this marriage, and that's what it is. I'm listen and listen. Not honey me. I told you countless times not to call me on. I'm not interested. You understand me? Sorry for your sorry ass. I don't need that. Don't get a picture.
Funanya, what is it? Funanya, what is it? You're crying. Funanya, what happened? Talk to me and your mother. What happened? Funanya.
I did not do anything to him. I only asked him for money to make my hair. And Desmond brought out gun that he was going to shoot me.
Yes. You asked him for money to make your hair. And he brought out a gun to shoot you. Is he mad?
Am I don't? Mama, please. I need you to help me beg Desmond. I don't want the villagers to mock me. I want to go back to my Desmond, please.
Nobody will mock you. You're my daughter. I will go and talk to him. And you will go back to your house. Stop crying, please. Eh?
Who do we have here? You are beaming with smiles as somebody that won a lottery.
Hey,
By the way, have you finished enjoying your breath of fresh air with Desmond the Don?
Nani, please, instead of you to sympathize with your daughter, you're here laughing at her.
Oh, why should I find out when she's crying? She's crying because she wants to cry.
You can see that she's heartbroken.
Oh, she's already heartbroken. No, don't worry. This is the beginning. It's the starting point. Acupuncture, Amadara. It's just that.
Nani, go now. Nani, I want to ask you to please go and see her.
Who is your in-law?
Desmond, our in-law.
Desmond is not my in-law. He is your in-law. So don't call him my in-law.
Okay. Let's not argue over that.
Okay.
But I would like you to go and see him, so you can discuss this issue with our daughter. I mean, why would he pull out a gun to shoot her? It doesn't make sense. If you go and represent yourself as her father, you should have respect for my daughter, our daughter.
Did you not invite Anika, my brother, to stand by you when you wanted to give Funaya's hand in marriage? You can still go to Anika and ask him to go and meet Desmond and bring the inquiry of whatever you demand.
From all you're saying, it's obvious you don't want to go. No problem. I will go and see him. But let me tell you something. It is quite unfortunate that there will be a man in the house and I will be expected to go and meet the in-law. No problem. I will be the man. I will go and represent my daughter.
You have been doing the work of the man in this house. So go ahead. Carry on with your good work. Carry on.
No problem. This is your state of poverty from the day I married you. Still written all over you and the decisions you take in life.
Desmond would have blasted her head with that gun.
My in-law. Don't.
Listen to me. Do not call me your in-law. Do you understand me? Hey, don't even step on me. Get down.
Please. Whatever Funanya has done to you, forgive her. With time, she will learn, she will understand you better, and then you would understand her, and you people would live happily.
Listen, Mama. As far as I'm concerned, your daughter is a waste being on me.
Eh?
She's a waste being on me.
Waste being?
Yeah, that's what it is.
What's waste being?
Okay. Tell you something. You don't get it cold right now, huh?
Cold?
You don't understand me cold.
Are you crying for Funanya? But she loves you. Oh, my dear son, she loves you. Please don't cry. Stop crying, my in-law. Stop crying.
Wait for me.
The poor boy is crying. My daughter is equally crying. That means they love each other so much. Crying with his mouth wide open for that matter. Oh.
Mana speak.
Come.
Mana speaks.
Wait.
Mana.
Come.
Mana. Hey, your mama come through. Mana. You would have waited for me, Mama. Say Mana speaks. Mana. You know, with it. You go mad.
Forgiving me. Eh? Mama, talk to me now.
Why?
What did he say?
My eyes saw the back of my ears. I am volunteering. Why for Bethlehem?
happened? Tell me.
Hey, there is no way I will go back to that house again. Do you know it's only God that saved me?
Tell me exactly what happened. What is the problem?
That boy almost shot me. He almost shot me with his gun.
Why?
There's no way I'm going back there. That boy is mad though. He is really mad. There's no way you're going back there.
I cannot stay here. I need to go back to my husband's house. Are you saying I cannot go back to my husband's house again?
Instead of you to thank God that I came out alive, you're here talking about going back to your husband's house. You're on your own.
I really want to go back to my husband's house. I don't want to really just to walk me. What will become of me, Mama? To understand this thing. Mama, why are you limping? Huh?
From where? Can't see where. That's how I fell in his house.
Hey,
yeah?
Okay, I'm sorry. Please. Oh, let me help you up, okay? So you go and rest.
You are not even crying like a real woman who has seen a breath of fresh air.
Papa, why are you doing this to me?
Do what am I doing?
Papa, you know very well that I'm heartbroken now. Is this what you should be telling me?
Oh, she's heartbroken. Why not climb a tree and shout it to the entire village that I'm heartbroken? I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. Let me tell you. Go and climb the tree and tell them you're heartbroken.
You're still crying? You're still crying over that young man? Do you want to kill yourself because of him?
No, Mama, I want to go back to my husband's house. I want to go back to Desmond.
That is not why you should die because of Desmond. Go and talk to your father's brother, Anika. Maybe he can help us. Oh? It's okay. Don't mind him. Stop mind him. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Let me understand. You say you want me to go to the city and talk to your in-law this month.
Exactly.
And that last time you were there, he had a gun and nearly shot you.
Yes, sir.
And you still want me to go there?
Yes, I want you to go there and talk to him. Let him come back here and take his wife. That's all.
It's been a long time sitting.
I might not find my way back. I might get lost there.
No, you will not get lost. I'm going to write down the directions for you and put down the address. There's no way you will get lost. So don't worry about that one. It will be taken care of.
But with the address does not mean I can't get lost in the city. You know how city is.
I can see that you really don't want to go. You're just Lily-livered. You're not a man in the real sense of the word. You're just sitting like a woman. You don't want to do anything. No problem. Don't worry. I will handle this thing.
Don't stop it. You know, this voice.
Thank you.
We are going.
Yes.
You want me to go and die for what I don't know? See. Yeah.
What are we going to do about this marriage thing?
I've told you to stop using that word. We. It is you. Whatever you want to say you on your own. When you were jumping from point to point, place to place, shouting the dawn, you never believed that a day like this will come. You didn't believe. A daughter, just your only child, A man came from nowhere. You've never seen him before, and you determined that this man was the best to marry your daughter.
Well, I am sorry for not coming to you. You know, you have this gift of seeing into the future. But the thing is, which way forward?
Have you ever taken any of my words seriously?
Funmilayo, where are you going to?
I'm going back to beg my husband. I'm going to Desmond. I am tired of all this.
You're going back to Desmond's house?
Yes.
Do you want to die?
Is it not better for me? Is it not better I die in my husband's house than to live here with the shame and disgrace from the villagers and from my father? Is it not better?
Chelukwan, my daughter, I can't allow that. You're not going anywhere.
Mama, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I shouldn't touch you.
You heard me.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Try it one more time and I will dislocate your jaw for you.
Mama, I will talk to you anyhow. Because you do not deserve my respect. You are responsible for my present predicament. Look at me. What nonsense. Break my jaw now. Break my jaw. Hey! Hey!
So it is me that you're using that mouth you used to suck this breast to abuse, eh? It shall never be well with you. Eh? Yes, it will not be well.
Mama, it will not be well with you too. It will never be well with you. Look at you. Are you a good mother? Are you a good mother? Have you seen what you've done to me? You've ruined my life. I cursed the day you conceived me. You're a very wicked woman.
So you now curse me. With this mouth that you used to suck this bread, you now curse me. You know what? I disown you.
Hey, look at what you're talking about. I disown you too. I do not even want you as my mother again. What have you done for me? You have misled me. You useless your life. You useless your life with Olisa. You useless your life with Olisa. You useless my life with Olisa. And my God, God will just you. God will just you. They can package you together. You useless your life for 4 years with Olisa. You are just a greedy woman. Look at you. You are not satisfied. You can never be satisfied. Don't talk to me.
What? Me? Beg Olisa on your behalf? It's a lie. You're a liar. I cannot do that. Funmilayo, when I was busy begging you to think twice before you take a decision, you refused and you called me a jealous friend. Now you have come to me to help you beg Olisa on your behalf. It's a lie. I cannot do it.
Babe, why are you talking like this? Please, I need your help. Please.
Please, 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 please. Funmilayo, I beg you in the name of God. Please, we are not sisters anymore. We are not blood related anymore. Don't call me your sister again. If you want to talk to Olisa, use your leg and your mouth and go and talk to him. I can never and will never do that. If you know where you took your bath, go there and collect your clothes.
Obula jonra kamukulite Ifomam jinaka odanarumo Onyomam bunobi akonarumo Asimu kambakwa Akwe pero bube Echegono muyoya Imano kwere kwe Kambuziano wemo Okaromo bi
I can hear it. Papa, I know I have really offended you. I have disrespected you in so many ways. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. It was Mama that deceived me. Papa, the truth is that I never loved Desmond. It was Olisa I loved so much. But Mama deceived me to get married to Desmond because he said he was going to take me to abroad.
Can you hear yourself? Just listen to yourself. A grown-up like you, a university graduate, does not know her left and her right. So shameful.
But please forgive me. I will not do it again. I'm sorry, Mama.
There is nothing to forgive here. You didn't offend me. The person you owe apology is Olisa. So go and look for Olisa wherever you may find him and apologize to him. That's all.
Olisa is not picking my calls. I've called him severally. He doesn't talk to me. My food is ready.
When last did you serve me food in this house? Did I tell you I was hungry? Please take this thing out of here.
Some people left their husband's house to come and give my husband food in my husband's house.
Take it away, please.
Anyway, my darling, my shoo-shoo, don't mind that girl. Honey, what would you like to eat? Just tell me, let me go and prepare for you.
Did I beg you for food? Did I tell you I am hungry? I don't need to eat, please. Just let me rest.
When you're ready to eat, just tell me what you want. I'll go and prepare it for you.
Seriously, I haven't been able to sleep. I have been having a series of nightmares.
And how is any of that my business?
I want to go and see Olisa in the city. But why are you treating your sister like this? It's unfair. Oh. It's me. Oh. Why are you behaving like this? I need you to lend me some money. Please. I'll pay you back.
Eh? You want me to lend you some money? Didn't you come back from John's house?
I told you.
No. You did not tell me everything. You did not.
Okay. My husband beat me up and threw me out of the house. I did not come out with a pin. I came out only with my handbag. I have nothing with me. I have nothing. Please, my sister, help me, please. I'm very sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know I've sinned against you. I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
Funai, This is not necessary at all. Because I don't have any grudges in my mind against you. It's long gone.
No, you do, please. Lisa, if you don't forgive me, I can never forgive myself. I know from the depth of my soul I have sinned against you. I've hurt you deeply. That's why I'm asking for your forgiveness, please. Forgive me. Please.
Let me even ask you. Where's your husband? What's his name again? Desmond the Don. Is he aware you're here?
Please do not talk about him. I don't love him. Lisa, it's you I love. Please, do not throw me away. Please, you're my last hope. Please, please, I beg.
Please, girl. Just get up.
Please, forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please. I know you still love me. If not 100%, but at least 50. Please. I am ready to do anything you want. If you want us to get married today, tomorrow, anytime. Please, I am ready for you. I'm sorry. Please.
See how smooth that came out of you. See how smooth you said it. It was very easy for you, right? But I think you seem to forget very fast. You seem to forget that this is not just me and you. We're people. We come from a place. It wasn't just me. My parents, the whole community were involved. My mother, my father, everybody. So how can you just come here and think it's just our only decision?
No.
It doesn't work that way.
Before I came here, I already decided to apologize to anyone I have wronged. I'll go to mother and apologize. I'll go to father, anybody, any of your relations. Please. I'm ready to ask for forgiveness.
Well, I don't think it will be necessary.
Olisa, please. I made your favorite. Please eat.
I can't remember ever telling you that I was hungry.
But you've not eaten since I got here.
think you're pushing this thing so far. Excuse me.
Baby.
Post office. I have something to sort out there.
I mean, can't I spend the night here?
That's not possible.
I don't have anywhere to go.
It's not true. Hey, stop! Your cousin Juliet lives in this town. You can go there and sleep, please.
Okay. But can I come back tomorrow?
If you like. Come on, please, I'm late. Come on. Yes, come in. Come in.
Good evening. I brought you fruits. Your favorite fruits.
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
There's no need for this.
My dear, I thought you'd forgiven me.
See, from now, it's not about forgiving you. You see, you're just acting as if nothing ever happened before now. And moreover, I think you're pushing this too fast. I think you should just take this things easy. Moreover, I'll be traveling tomorrow I'll be traveling tomorrow, so I'm really tidying up some things.
Traveling?
Yes.
Where are you traveling to?
Well, if you must know, I'm going to Abuja, and from there I'm going to the village.
Then I can come with you, right?
Of course, you know that's not possible. Most I'll be flying. And from Abuja, I'll be going to the village.
You told me you do not want me in your house. Are you throwing me away indirectly?
If I'll be hateful, Naya. If I don't want you here, you would have started here in the first place. Just take it easy, like I said, okay? Please.
Mama, how are you?
You're welcome.
Mama, I brought you bread.
We don't need your bread. Take it back. We have enough bread in this house.
Mama, this one is a very special one. Direct from the bakery. You will like it.
And I said we don't need it. We don't need your bread. Take it home. What of your husband? That's your rich husband. I heard he has plenty of money. How is he?
But that man is not my husband.
Eh?
That man is very wicked. He's been mean to me. I don't want to talk about him. I have to leave his house.
Huh?
I'm no longer married to him.
Story!
That man is a devil. He doesn't take care of me. He's very, very mean. He beats me. You will not understand. I just thank God I left his house and I'm still alive today.
Yeah.
I heard my Olisa. No, my Olisa told me that he will be coming around.
You are who?
I don't know if he has arrived yet.
Who is you, Olisa? Shut up! Shut up your smelly mouth. Let me ask you, what business do you have with you?
I beg you, help me and I am very, very sorry. I know I have wronged both you and Papa, and I'm not supposed to be here to beg for your forgiveness. Please, I am very, very sorry. But the truth is that since I left this house, I haven't been myself. The thought of Olisa makes me lose my mind. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You are a shameless girl.
Hey.
You are a shameless girl.
Mom, please sorry.
Let it not be that she is. Let me tell you something. Olisa, my son is married.
Hey.
If you know what is good for you, take your shameless self to your house. And go and be thinking of him.
Mama, please, no, Papa. Papa,
just get out of my face and stop it for me.
Please, I'm sorry.
Get out and stop
You didn't have seen the kind of embarrassment I faced today. If you were there, you would shed tears for me. I'm telling you. His parents just walked out on me as if I was so invincible. I was talking to them, they behaved as if I was just wasting my time. The next thing was they stood up and left. If the ground could open, I would have entered.
I didn't know you had no shame. So you had the face to go to that house again after what you did to their son.
As if you do not know how much I love Olisa.
Love? Yes! How much do you love Olisa? Please, tell me.
Oh, please, leave me. Before you start looking for someone you will blame now. Please.
Do you know you are very confused? I have never seen anyone as confused as you are in this life. You're just shameless.
Hey, are you with me or not? Because I don't understand you. Why are you talking to me as if I'm a child?
Because you act like one. You act like a child. Look, Naya, if I were you, I will leave this village and will not return in years.
For what? Why? Ebere!
Please, Naya, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Do not come to my house with your problems. I have my own problems. If you are looking for someone to talk to your mother. She knows it all. Please.
Hi, Papa. Papa, you're welcome.
This is not my clothes.
They're your clothes, Papa. I'm washing them for you. They're very dirty. Yes. I'm also roasting yam for you. I know you like roasted yam.
Hey. Since when did you become this humble?
Papa was never a bad girl. It's just that Mama deceived me.
You became a bad girl the day you disobeyed me and married that crazy fool.
Papa, I've tried in so many ways to make you understand that I'm really, really sorry for what I did. Please, Papa, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry, Papa.
I know you are sorry indeed. But you know that no matter how fast a wound heals, the scars remain.
have brought you the yam. The roasted yam I made for you. Please come and eat.
But you know I have toothache. I can't eat this yam with this tooth.
I know very well that you love roasted yam. I spent almost an hour trying to make it for you. Please do not turn it down. Please just taste it.
But I can't eat it. I'm not going to injure myself. Take it away and not trouble me. Don't know what it means to have bad tooth.
Is the most beautiful thing in the world. There's
Are you the one that removed the 12 blocks from the stairs? Are you deaf or something?
I did. And so?
I can see that you now feel that you have the right to enter inside my house, my store, and take whatever you like, right?
What kind of a mother are you? It is very obvious to me now that you don't have conscience. You don't have it. Won't you at least sit down for a minute and think? Think about the terrible things you've done. Can't you think? Look at what you've done to me. You kept me in this terrible condition. You misled me, Mama. Yes. You can't show any remorse. Not even little. You can't show any remorse.
I don't have a conscience. I should be the one that will be remorseful. You're the one that should be remorseful. You married a good man. A man that has money, that took care of you. You said it yourself. Rather than being a good wife, you went there, messed up yourself, and they sent you packing. Let me warn you. Don't you ever enter my kitchen nor my store to carry any of my foodstuff. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nonsense.
What kind of mother are you? Hey! I feel like running away from that house. That house is like hell to me. When I walk in the village, people point at me, say nasty things about me, gossip with my name. I'm frustrated. I'm really frustrated.
I wish you had listened to me. I wish you had listened to your father. All these things wouldn't have been happening.
Now, even my own father sees me as an outcast. He doesn't eat my food. My father doesn't eat what I cook. When I'm in the house, he practically runs away because he doesn't want to see me. What could be more than that? That is how bad it has become.
But do you blame him? You don't have to blame him. All you need to do is just ask him for forgiveness.
He has not even given me the opportunity to ask him for forgiveness. He hasn't even given me the opportunity to come any inch close to him.
You don't need him to give you the chance or the opportunity to talk to him. You have to create a means and ask him for forgiveness. Just go home and try and talk to him. Okay?
I know I have let you down. I have failed you and I have disrespected you in so many ways. Please, I am here to ask for your forgiveness. If you don't forgive me, my life will be more miserable than it is now. Please.
No. But I will never get to us until you forgive me.
I have forgiven you. Stop crying. I called you severally to speak to you as a child. My own child, whom I love. But we put aside everything I told you and follow them.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I've never tried again. I've always listened to you.
But what I'm saying is that I'm forgiving from my
Agundi, please come and ask us. Hey, Papa, even if it is charm they use them, Papa, tell them to not walk. Hey, because I won't be alive and watch them. That's what my son. But Papa, nonsense. Huh? Papa, your son, ask him. And he has forgiven from Naya. Let him speak. Don't tell what I was saying. Listen.
That your sudden return is because of from
because of Naya is not because it's changed. Nobody cast anything on me.
Something is wrong with you. All I know is no way a lion can take a goat. Anything they want to do.
Both of my ancestors will live there and watch me going to sleep. Nowhere. These people have decided to become my son. Is it from the sound here? I send him back. Is it from the air? Let it follow the air. Anywhere they did it, let it not walk in my soul. They do not have any power to walk in my soul. They cannot take him away from me. No way. Even if he ate it, they give it to him and take it in his mouth. They cannot. I mean, whether it is done by a man or a woman, living or dead, not walk. I cannot have any effect on my son. Let me cleanse you.
Cleanse how?
Cleanse you from the fruit of evil.
Stop! What's the meaning of all this?
Like those people that have engaged you. Don't know anything like that.
You're making this thing look like a war.
This is war! War indeed! You know the war is war? This war, the war is already on. Or you want me as an elder to sit back at home and watch the sheep deliver in the theater? Look, I will not be alive and watch somebody. Somebody. The battle is on. I am talking about war. Look at what is happening now. They have hypnotized you concerning that. But there is no need for this. There is no need.
But I'm not involved with this at all. Don't even count me on it. You're just wasting time. What's this? You have not even listened to me for once. Eh?
Police are involved.
I'm not. I don't know.
You are from the lineage of the lions. And lions. Police is actually in the village just because of Fulmania.
Which Fulmania are you talking about?
It's the same ungrateful girl.
The same Fulmania who broke your heart and followed another man?
She has left her husband's house and my son want to bring her, want to take her. Want to take her.
No, you told her. Are you under his spell?
Ask him.
Did she use juju on you? Did she charm you?
Ask him. Ask him.
You mean you want to settle for a woman who almost ruined your life? Eh? What kind of madness is that now?
Ask him.
So what happened? So what happened?
It is not madness. It's surprising and strange that you're joining Papa and Mama to treat me like a small boy.
Are you not a boy? Olisa, are you not a boy? Only You are a child. You are a small boy. What is all this? A boy again.
You are still out.
And then you Dika.
Even if your head touches the sky, you still remain our son.
Anyway, the truth is that if I had known that this is the reason why Papa called me for this meeting, I wouldn't have answered to it. And as it is right now, I have to take my leave. Excuse me.
Olisa!
Hey!
Olisa Loka! Hey! This is not the Olisa I used to know.
Yasin! Listen, what you now do, just do it. Calling on Fulmaya, and nothing else. That was why I called you, to come and witness for yourself. Because if a man sees a snake, you can turn it to be a bat.
How can a man take into his arm the same dog that beats his manhood? This is not ordinary. They have gone to Gideon's house.
And that will not work. It will not work for them. I can't be here and fold my hands and watch them ruin my only son. It will be impossible. It will not work. I will show them why I'm calling you. They will see the reason I'm called Ogidiga. I will not watch them destroy my only son. Put them on his wife or whatever they call it.
Tension is so high, man. Tension high? What happened? It's not something I want to talk about. No. We have to talk about it. I hope you're not having problems with your parents because of Naya. No. Your mother complained bitterly about it. And honestly, when she was complaining, I thought she was joking. And I told her I would talk to you. Thank God I've seen you now. What's the problem?
Like I said before, it's not something I want to talk about. But I want to go find somewhere
that this true love should stay. We have to discuss it. Because you're my friend. And as good friends, I have to be honest with you. I hope you're not planning or thinking of going back to that girl. No, seriously, if you do, I will see you as a man who throws out his spit and goes back to lick it. Dog picks licks it. Let me ask you. At any point in time, discussed with you, you should be meeting to whether I will bring her back. But you see, why I'm saying it is because if you're crying, it's me you will come to. I don't want you to go back to her again. Don't forget what she did to you. She dealt with you. You need to follow me. So we look for a place to relax and at release. Take fresh money all night. Talking about going to drink. Do you have money with you? This way. Well, listen. As your friend, I want you to tell me this. Are you still interested in Fumnaya?
Does it look to you like I'm still interested in her?
I'm the one asking the question.
Yeah, but I'm asking it back to you. I'm putting it back to you. Have I at any point in time discussed the issue concerning Fumnaya?
Whether I want her back or not?
The way you're going about it shows that...
Onyeka!
Yes? Are we going to drink or not?
Listen, this girl treated you so bad.
Onyeka, are you going to drink or you want me to leave your wife so that you can continue on your own?
Olisa, I want to know the reason why you reached out to me and your parents. Because we want the best for you. I want to know why you.
Well, Auntie, I don't understand why one will not have rest in his father's house. This is my father's house.
Olisa,
So,
you haven't answered my question. I want to know why you walked out on us. Because you said you will not marry that wicked girl. That wicked girl. Eh?
and this is the reason why you left your husband's house. Papa, please. You come here and start disturbing us. Is it fair?
No, it's not important. It's not important. You think we will stay alive and allow somebody use juju on you to scatter your head? You think that will happen? It will not happen. It won't.
There's nobody is using juju on you.
See here. And that's the reason you want to bring back the same girl. The same girl that almost ruined your life?
My life is not ruined. I've said that to you before. My life is...
Hey! Hey! See the way my son is talking. My son is talking like someone the head is inside the evil forest.
Like a man.
Which man? Which man? Hey! Your heart is filled with that girl.
No, now my wife. It will not happen. It won't happen. You will not marry that girl. You won't marry that girl.
You're just stressing yourself. You are stressing yourself for nothing. And it's not good for you.
This is not important to you, eh? It's not important.
Enough! Oh, you land! You are my friend. The spirit of my ancestors. Hear ye me now. You that guide within the four walls of this compound. That I am not in support of my son marrying Umunaya. But if he goes ahead and marries her, my spirit will forever should
wherever they have gone to, that thing will not work. I promise you it will not work. Come my pastor and tell him all these things that is happening. Because he cannot sit and allow this thing to happen. It won't happen. Eh? Where is it? Olisa! Olisa, where are you?
Gods of our land, the spirit of my ancestors, I call to appease you with this collar. I am from the lineage of the lions. And whoever touches the tail of a lion must be beaten by it. Olisa, good that you are here. If you dare marry that girl, you know what I will do? I will get into this house, lock up myself then, and set myself ablaze. Then my spirit will always torment you.
And I will join you. I will join you. Let's give Olisa the chance to dance this dance of shame. Dance this dance of shame.
Anything happens to my brother, if anything happens to my brother, I will gather the mother here and they will place a curse on you. Bet me on that.
Do you know that that girl went to his house and said,
what? Look at him. No. This is juju now. This is juju in action.
Auntie, there's nobody using spell on me. No juju on me. I'm normal.
You are normal?
Yes.
Do you look normal? Do you look normal?
Like this? Yeah, I don't understand this. I want to go out.
You're going where?
I'm going out.
Will you sit down there? Sit down there! Fool! You're going where? I said sit down. Listen, if you dare step out of this place now, I'll just place a curse upon you. No, sir. Will you pass?
But why are you talking to me as if I'm a child, sir?
Shut up your mouth and sit down! Olisa, you are a small boy. You must listen to your father. Sit down. Sit down, Olisa. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. If you step an inch here, Olisa, if you step an inch here, you will visit Mongo Park today.
Just leave him. Let him try it. Watch for not listening.
Hello? Oh, thank God. Hello, Pastor, please. Are you still around? Oh, thank God. Please, can you come to my brother's house? Eh? The devil wants to steal and destroy. Please, can you come quickly, please? Eh? It's very urgent. Okay, you're coming. Thank God. Please hurry, we are waiting. What? Thank you. God forbid that I will allow this to happen. You see that girl and her mother have failed. They will know that I serve a powerful God. A God that I worship can never allow this to happen. I tell you that.
But auntie, I told you there is no juju on me.
See this one. You hear yourself? That is how people talk when they are under a spell if you don't know that. Let me tell you. Do you hear me? That is how they talk.
Nobody is even interested in hearing my own opinion. People are just talking.
Shut up your mouth. Which opinion? Which nonsense opinion?
But I want to go out. I told you people that before.
You're going where? I said sit down and don't go to anywhere. Sit down!
Lisa, sit down.
Are you out of your senses?
Listen to your father. Huh? Sit down.
Sit down!
Sit down.
Is it because I left you all this while? You're showing disobedience. What's wrong with you?
I've been outside.
Go! Will you sit down? If you step out of here, I will go out.
Pastor is here. Pastor is here. Pastor, thank God you're here. An evil woman cast a spell on my nephew. Please, I want you to pray. Pray, oh,
The devil
pray.
is a liar. The devil is a liar. In Jesus' name, Father, we thank you for a day like this. With the way you delivered Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, we want you to deliver this young man in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, we thank you for a day like this because we know you have done it. Because we know you have delivered for a day like this.
Rub it on.
I don't understand this at all. Look at my whole body. Look at the whole of my body. See how I'm dripping of oil.
We needed to nullify you from the juju in your body.
Nullify me from what? What, auntie? You didn't even ask for my opinion. You just started pouring me oil. What's that now?
Opinion, you say?
Yes.
Well, at least you can now talk sensibly. Let's hear your opinion. Let's hear that your opinion now. Talk, let's hear
Oh,
it.
it's not that you want me to talk.
Talk.
Now. So before I was talking rubbish. Why didn't you ask me before?
Okay, let's hear it. Talk, let's hear it.
Anyway, let me just say it. In case you people were thinking that I came into this village because of Funaya, it's a lie. I did not come because of Funaya.
Why then are you in the village this week?
Because I have a surprise for you people, Papa.
Surprise?
Yes, Papa.
What kind of surprise can come from you if not topics of Funaya?
There you go wrong, Papa. There you go wrong. Because it's not only the elderly that knows everything. You should have asked me first. That's the point. That's why I said nobody listened to me. Nobody.
Okay, so what's the surprise?
But I found a woman that I want to marry. And she's coming here today.
Story. Okay, who is she?
If you insist, it's one of the daughters of the Cantis, our Cantis here.
Which of?
But look at me now, I'm expecting a visitor. Look at how I'm tripping on fire.
Okay, you're welcome.
My lord, I'm so sorry. Sorry that I've been late. I was in a meeting with some core members at our parking gym.
No, it's okay, you came on time. Come, please come. Like I said, he came right on time. Okay, meet my parents, my mom, my dad, my auntie, my dad's sister.
Welcome.
Papa.
Welcome.
The surprise that I said she's the daughter of our captains.
Are you not the medical doctor that lives in Abuja?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I know you. Just that you've changed so much.
Okay,
Welcome, babe.
like I was
Thank
saying
you.
before, to cut the long story short, I know they met long time ago. We've been friends and close, but we have decided to get married.
Married?
I am thinking of going to Ogechi's tomorrow morning, my brother. So we'll be able to collect this for the marriage rights. Okay. Whatever it is to do, the earlier the better. We don't have time. And then we have to cheat. Let me get it.
Please, I will not disobey you again. I know I have wronged you so deeply. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
So you think after insulting me, you can just come and ask for forgiveness? You expect me to forgive you, huh? You think it's that easy, right? How mad I can be. Now I'll tell you. By the time I go in there and come out,
Oh, my husband, don't change your face. You know, whenever you change your face, your anger is always very bad.
the humiliation, the embarrassment you and my mother caused me. Have you seen it? Have you seen my life? Thank you very much. But I have one thing to tell you. Till I die, I would never be able to forgive you for this. I will not.
Good man. Is there anything wrong with your head? Is there anything wrong with your head?
Are you asking me that question? Oh yes! Something is wrong with my head. You do not know. I have gone insane. Look at me. I am so ashamed of myself. I can't even stand up and walk my head. All thanks to you and my mother. You encouraged me to get married to Desmond. Look at my life. If you did not do that with my mother, all this wouldn't have happened to me. But thank you very much. Thank you.
Love for to come and marry you. Eh?
I know you very well. You love bride. Yes, I'm the parent of my mother. You collected bride from my mother and you discarded me. And as a trash can, you discarded me and gave me out to go and suffer. But my God will judge you. You will suffer for everything you have done to me. You will.
Ebere, did you see your friend? Did you see how she stands here and insult me anyhow? And you will dare do what?
What are you talking about? You're talking about insults. I haven't even insulted you. I don't even have time to insult you. What I have come is to tell you that you will suffer for all this good you have done. You will suffer and you will pay.
What? Do I say that for your mother? Look at me.
When you were busy eating the fry, did you give food? Do you know that life is sweet when beauty meets beauty? Naya, today I saw what I call educated people's traditional marriage. Who married who? Oh, you didn't hear? Hear what? Tell me now. You know I don't like such things. If you see people that I saw in the traditional marriage, ministers, senators, medical doctors, government officials. What I saw today. Hey! Tell me, why you understand? If you see the way money was flying in the air. Oh, stop it now, stop it. If you're meant to tell me, I don't like suspense, people. If you see drinks, different kinds of drinks, assorted drinks. Today was comfort. Today, hey!
Papa, welcome, sir.
Papa, no.
You are in our house?
Yes, sir.
You're welcome. Did you see what I saw over there?
Papa, that is exactly what I'm telling you, Nanya. This is one in town. I've never seen this before.
That's wonderful. I've never seen such a thing all my life.
Me too.
I never knew that little girl knew people of that caliber in their numbers. See how I was spread everywhere. Olisa was dancing on Monday. Hey!
Which Olisa you talking about? Is it my own Olisa?
Olisa got married today. Please.
It's not April Fool today. And I'm not ready to take that from you. Thank you very much.
Naya, Olisa got married today. If you don't believe what we are saying, go and see for yourself. Olisa got married today. It is still happening.
Papa, I don't understand you. Olisa got married and you never told me. I don't know.
I forgot. But he got married today.
Hey, my sister. Before I forget, I have to go and prepare dinner for my father. Oh, you still late.
Olisa cannot be married. She's just joking. Olisa cannot be married. Papa!
know you didn't love me the first day.
Who said so?
I did. I saw it in your eyes.
No. I was just lost in your beauty.
Like you don't report me.
Well, the truth about it, I didn't know where to start. So that I don't get too upset. Also, when you now told me that you're a medical doctor, oh my god. I said I'm finished. Well, I mean, I never would have believed it that you would have accepted a man like myself. A trader, I mean a businessman. A common man for that matter.
Baby, you're not common. You're not common. Nothing about you is common, yes. Don't you ever qualify yourself as such thing again. Okay?
Thank you.
You're my hero. You know, that day I saw you at Jesus. The moment I set my eyes on you, there's this thing, I don't know what to call it. It just started drawing me to you, you know? The way you smile, your structure. I just say to myself, this is the kind of man I need for my husband. Everything about you was just so perfect. And then you asked me out for lunch. And I said, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, because this is prayer answered. My father's finally answered my prayer.
And he answered it.
Yes, he did. Isn't it so sweet?
Clothes from my bed.
Yes, I did. I wanted to help you to wash them.
Oh, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. I hope you slept well.
I slept well, my dear.
I'm almost done, Mama.
Please do come and rest. Yeah. You need to rest.
I'll rest when I'm done, okay?
You need to rest.
Mama, you're the one that needs help, yeah? You've been doing everything by yourself. Let me assist you.
Thank you. Just hurry up so that you have to rest, right?
Okay. Just go and wait until you be done, right? Yes.
God knew why he pushed from where I
washed man too? You don't mean it, I'm telling you.
Hey! Despite having a medical doctor like that, she's still up.
Thank you very much.
Who are we thanking God?
Oh, the food is ready.
Yes,
Call your husband.
I've already called myself.
I don't know. You call yourself. Let's get to sit yourself.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, I was only talking to my wife. The food is getting cold. Let's sit down. What is it, Luca?
Let's all go one.
Okay. One. If you have gone, talking to your own wife. Now, play one food. Well, amen.
I want to add these ones to the things you're taking to the city.
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself, eh? We're supposed to be the ones giving you, not the other way around, eh?
My dear, you always have the right way to.
Okay, Mama, let me take this inside.
Okay.
Come now, your code. Come now, your code. Okay, Chiaba. Come now, your code. Where have you been?
You left since our secondary school. No one has seen you since then. I heard you now in talk.
Definitely, I am. All thanks to God.
All thanks to God.
You go to the job.
Yes, Mama.
What are you doing here?
Mama, you go. Olisa.
Olisa is here.
Call your husband for me.
Sweetheart! Sweetheart! My darling husband, please come over to
Mama, what is going on? Excuse me.
Can you imagine? Come here to look for what I do not know.
My husband. What was the meaning of that? What are you not telling me?
Okay, I don't really want to discuss that from my girl. I don't want to discuss her issue at all.
Just tell me whatever that is bothering you. Whatever it is, just
Anyway, if you insist on knowing, see that from night, we're actually dating in a relationship that I had to sacrifice everything to make sure she graduates from the university. And we had agreed that we were going to get married by this January that passed. What did I get in return? She abandoned me, she and her mother. She followed one man that they felt was very rich. Now she's coming back to look for what I do not know.
my husband, is it the same girl Auntie Joy told me about?
What did you tell me about?
Yes, she did, but I think she was the one.
See, she's the one.
fight for this girl. I labored. There were even times that I didn't have at all. I went abroad to make sure she was comfortable at school. At the end of the day, what did I get to eat? After graduation, we were supposed to have gotten married. Money broke my heart, she shattered it. Left me in the middle of nowhere. Now she's coming back. Coming back for what?
It's okay, my husband. I'm here to mend your heart. I will mend your heart for you. She doesn't know what it means to have a man that is real to the bone. I'll make sure
love a woman nana okwero ndidi obimbawa ewelo bona boya love ebo nopa okwero ndidi.
Anyway, I came to inform you that Onyeka and his family are coming to pay my bride price next week.
Nanya.
Papa, you know we have to be on our way now. The journey to Abuja is back. Mama, you're still drinking out. What is this?
I need to take it. Yes. Take this thing. Open the car, open the front side and put everything inside.
Put it at the back seat.
Now the city with the stuff. We have food in the city. We have enough.
This one is for me.
Okay.
This is village own.
God, how many weeks are we going to eat this one now?
Okay, I want your husband to grow fat when next is going to come to the village.
Mama, I'll feed him fat, don't worry.
Why won't I grow fat with all these things?
And you, Olisa, when next the people are coming, I want to see your wife for
Mama, you trust your son now.
You come now.
See the position, that position I'm using to carry him. I didn't say that.
We need fat here now. Aguna.
Papa.
Mama,
take care of this one, bro.
I will, Mama, I will. Take care of yourself too.
Okay,
Hey, Papa.
Take care, huh?
Oh. Take care of yourself. Take care.
You want to help me?
Yeah, let me help you.
Don't stay in handle.
I will not.
Go down.
Agunya, I am proud of you. You will make a good husband.
Gosia